try to grow up. Okay? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy ಮಾಡಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ how is life?
Top of the
Nice.
world, sir.
Top of the world.
Yeah. Josh a little
On the
bit.
top of the world, sir.
Moment you enter the class, you should be in a full Josh. Okay? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
But you don't ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes, no, no, sir, I can't. I'm LBM. Something like that you got to keep on telling. Okay, Mansi. Okay, Mansi, clash right. Consonant. Yes. Let's start the beautiful topic which was waiting for long. All of you use 4-color pen. Extremely important concept. ಎಂತ ಬೇಕಾ ನಿನಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನ ಬೇಕು ನಿನಗೆ ಜನ ಬೇಕೇನೆ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ರೋಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರೋಡ್
Fundamentals
Fundamentals of accounting.
ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಬ್ರೋ
Now, sir.
ಬೇಡ ನೀವೇ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ CA Foundation March 26 hours. All of you write in a single page. All these should come in single page neatly and use the colors which I say. Don't change. Okay. So first, what you should do is in a plain page, in a black color, draw straight line, ledger account line. All of you know, straight two like this. Then in the middle of the page, you cut it. Top is balance sheet, next is P&L. Easily. We are not written this, Alva, present batch. Lahari?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
Sir,
So draw full line. Exactly in the middle, you can cut it half. Okay. On the top, and your writing ink should be black ink. Sir, I don't like black. I don't write red. All those racist ella beda. Institute says you must write in black only. This is balance sheet. Some of them will join now 5:25 for 5:30 class. 2 times message akidi. And then P&L. Okay, you written? All of you written? On the top. Balance
Yes,
sheet,
sir.
then P&L account. Now all of you use blue ink. And write all real accounts. Point number 1. Then some personal account. Example, debtors. Point number 1. Then only personal accounts. Point number 1. Then all nominal accounts. Point number 1. Everything in blue ink. I hope on the top we are written. I didn't mention liabilities rupees, assets rupees. That you write on the top, balance sheet telling. Equity and liabilities antarra, or capital and liabilities. Equity and liabilities or capital and liabilities. Rupees. Then assets rupees. Then P&L account only. Don't write anything else. What you can see here. Expenses and losses left side, incomes and gains right side. All real accounts 1, some personal account 1, only personal accounts 1, then all nominal accounts 1. All these things in blue ink. Brother, read it again.
Yes, sir.
If you are done with this, next page ಅಲ್ಲಿ blue ink ಅಲ್ಲಿ treatment of accounts in FS under traditional approach. Treatment of accounts in financial statements ಅಥವಾ final accounts. FS ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, final accounts ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Under ಅಥವಾ based on traditional approach. ಎಲ್ಲ blue ink. First one, A, personal account. Hold on. Real account. Only on asset side. This is a very fundamental of accounts. With correct tag, easily you can do CA. Only on asset side. Then, Varnita, nominal account, P&L account. P&L account, debit and credit. P&L account, both sides, Harisha. P&L account, what's Ravi? Debit and credit. Then come to personal account. Personal account ಕೆಳಗೆ, if it is a debit balance, Vikram, asset side. Sanjana, if it is a credit balance, Ashwini, hello, Vikram. Liability side. Vijay Vittal video on ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಸುತ್ತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ. So, personal account, Avnira, debit balance assets, credit balance liabilities. Real account, Dimple, only on asset side. Nominal account, Skanda, P&L account, debit and credit. All of you come back again. If your writing speeds little improve ಮಾಡಿ. All of written?
Yes, sir.
Sit in a comfortable position, right? Comfortable ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. ವೈಷ್ಣವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? Next. So now all of you look at the balance sheet. All of you look at your notes. In notes now. Look at them. Traditionally, accounts are classified into what? Harshita, you asked this question. Personal, real, and nominal. So nominal account will always go to nominal account called P&L account. Vita, I said P&L account is a nominal account. So nominal account should go where? To nominal account called P&L account. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Everybody.
Yes.
I expect.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Real accounts, Nikhil Sai, real accounts are only on asset side. No dispute. Real accounts means only on asset side. So building account, machine account, everything only on the asset side. Only confusion is personal account or personal life, always confusion. So, sir, personal account, asset side or liability side, it depends. I have to receive money from Mansi. So Mansi is my debtor. It is an asset. I have to pay money to Ashwini. Ashwini is my creditor. It is a liability. So only personal accounts can appear, Clement, either on the asset side or on the liability side. So how do I know, sir? Very simple. If it is a debit balance, asset side, credit balance, liability side. I repeat. personal, real, and nominal account. All personal accounts will appear in the balance sheet. Now, asset side or liability side of Satvi depends. I sold goods to Lahari, she is my debtor. I purchased goods from Prapti, she is my creditor. Obviously, depends on debit or credit. It appears on the assets or liability side. Real account, Sinchana, is only for Sinchana, only for assets. It only on the asset side. Whereas a nominal account will go only to P&L account. Vidya Vipin, unmute
Yes,
and
sir.
repeat what we discussed. Personal account, where?
Personal account, it depends if it is debit, then in the asset side, whereas if it is credit, then on the liability side. Whereas real account, it comes in the asset side.
Only on asset side. You're right.
Yeah, only in the asset side. Then nominal account, it goes into the nominal account, which is P&L account.
Excellent. Now, all of you, I'm only worried whether you're intelligent or not. Do you think you're intelligent? Now, after 1 or 2 days, when you get the result, when you get out of out, etc. You're intelligent? You're dumb, you're idiots, you're intelligence. One of them you respond. Where you fall? Are you dumb, idiots, intelligence? Where do you fall? Or idiotly intelligent or intelligently idiots? What category you fall? You don't fall any under any category?
Intelligently
50-50?
Intelligent.
Intelligent? What intelligent?
Intelligent, sir.
Who, Ananya, who is intelligent? Boys or girls?
Intelligent.
Girls, sir.
How do
Girls
you
and
say?
boys, both, sir.
Girls and boys ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನ್ ಗಂಡ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡು ಬೋತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನನ್ಯ ಬೋತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಬಟ್ ಐದರ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ನೋ ಅಡಿಮೇಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ
Girls, sir.
ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಸಾಯಿ
Boys, sir.
ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಷಾಬ್
Boys, sir.
Now you prove, see, Shetty sir will not ask any stupid question just like that. So if you say girls are intelligent, Mansi, you prove why. If boys are intelligent, you prove why. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಂದು ಭಟ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಮೃತ ಅವಳು ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆಗೆ ಧನ್ಯ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಂದು ಸೀಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯ ನೋಡು
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೌದು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋದೇನೆ ನೀನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಥೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಿದ್ದು
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡು ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದೆಯಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸೊ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಪ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಪೌಡ್ರ್ ಕೂಂಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಪೌಡ್ರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತಲೆ ಬಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ನೋ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಯಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ sleep from 1 to 5 not after 5 okay I know Shetty sir's voice is so melodious many people want to sleep but I never thought it's so melodious that you'll sleep who is intelligent Clement Seju I'm coming to your country Monday Kerala who is intelligent Samanita Badkole Samanita
ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್.
ಗರ್ಲ್ಸೇ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇನೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ನೀನು ಇಂಟೆಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಏನಂತಿದೆ ಇಂಟೆಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸತಿ ಎಂತ ಮಾರ್ರೆ ಅದು ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಪೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿನ್ನೋ ಯಾರು ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಮದನ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಮದನ್
Boys, sir. Boys, sir.
ಮದನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿರಿ ಫೈನಲಿ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳೀಗ ಹೇಳಿ
Boys.
Boys, sir.
Boys.
ನೇಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್
Boys.
boys. Aitala, girls accepted?
No, sir.
Then what's your point? Here, Tanushree, who is intelligent?
Girls, sir.
Where is intelligence ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್. ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ? Okay, boys, you want to be happy. Name says intelligence. Girls, you want to be happy. You don't require the board. You are always intelligent. Why you require to say you are intelligent ಅಂತ board ಹಾಕೋಕ್ ತಿರ್ಗಬೇಕಾ? Now you tell me who is intelligent. Kruti, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ.
Shetty sir.
ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್
That is awesome.
ನೀವೇ sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ. The way you give the answer. That is a little risky. Satvi, I don't want to get into that. So, at least the competition ಇರೋ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೋ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೊಂದು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೋ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಚಲ್ತೇ ರಹೋ ಅಂತ. I don't understand. At least somewhere you fight. I am intelligent. If anybody asks me, I will always say I am intelligent. No doubt about in this context. Where I am not intelligent. I won't leave. Let any competition, any exam. I always want to be the top. Cutting edge. At the end, if my friend is getting above me, I am happy. Not a big deal. Okay, but somewhere competition should be there, no?
Competitive spirit.
ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪಾಪ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 5:30 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ 5:30 ಆಯ್ತು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ 5:15 ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೆವರ್ ದಿಲಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ, ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವೀಕೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಪಾಪ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವೀಕೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಟುಮಾರೋ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ, ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಸಂಡೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ. All of you understood the concept here. So this one is clear. Now why I ask this, clean ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. All assets are real account. True or false?
Yes,
True.
sir.
Yes, sir.
True sir. True sir.
No, all of you agree? All of you agree?
Yes.
Okay. All of you fold the hand like this. Fold like this. Then hit yourself. Hit it. ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. It's your own. Sage, you hit it like this. Don't hit here. छोटा दिमाग होता है. इधर थोड़ा मारो. मारो. Okay.
False.
See, first of all, you don't use the brain. Second one is, you don't even see what is printed. Balance sheet assets ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ ನೋಡಿ, all of you. You have written in your own beautiful
Some
handwriting.
personal and
Assets and liabilities.
When I say all the students are boys, you people accept, all the students here are boys. That also accept. Parvamilla sir, it's okay. All the students are boys here, except girls.
no, sir.
No, sir.
Maunam sammati lakshanam. Ati maunam.
No, sir.
I repeat, maunam sammati lakshanam. Ati maunam dhurta lakshanam. Now tell me, all the students here are boys. True?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, ಇಲ್ಲ sir. No sir.
Don't ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. At least you fight. On the face of the balance sheet, what did you write, Baba? You wrote asset side, real account and some personal account. Now, how can you say all assets are real accounts? Now, ulta. All real accounts are assets. True or false?
True.
True sir.
True, sir.
All
True,
real
sir.
accounts are assets. But all assets need not be real account. There's some personal accounts also being a part of it. Understood, Baba?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, look at my language. Be careful. Because you're all supposed to be expert in English, isn't it? Yeah. All personal accounts are liabilities. True or false?
False.
False sir.
Why?
Some personal accounts are
Some can be assets.
Some personal accounts are assets, sir.
Some personal accounts are asset side. Very good. I'll repeat. I'll confuse you. All liabilities are personal account. True or false?
True.
False sir.
True.
False, sir.
False, sir.
False.
True, sir.
All liabilities are personal accounts only. True or false?
False. Yes sir. True sir.
True.
True sir.
100% true. 100%. Why? అక్కడ చూడు రాజా, చూడు రాజా చూడి రాణి, ఇక్కడ ఏనిది వెళ్ళి liabilities are only personal account. There is nothing else. Amrita, Pawan, Nikhil, nothing else.
sir.
So completely below that you write now. One sentence. All real accounts are assets. Completely below that, in a different ink you can write. All real accounts are assets. Illi as, whereas all assets, Larry, need not be real account. Repeat what I written.
Sir, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Repeat mada.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
All
Account
All
assets.
real accounts are assets, whereas all assets need not be real accounts.
Correct. All real accounts are assets, whereas all assets need not be real account. Very full stop and continue. Since in the bracket, since assets include all real account plus some personal account. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Parnita V, Tanusri. Next line. All liabilities are personal accounts. All liabilities are only personal accounts. The personal accounts only. Personal accounts, Danya, only. Zero sentence to statement act. Box act. Why did I give the statement, Gitanjali? True or false? So they give the statement, then you have to say true or false. समझ में आ गया, Vijay Vittal?
Yes, sir.
Next. Come to the second point. All of you come to the balance sheet. In your, what you're writing, take red ink. The asset side in the expenditure side, ಈ ತರದ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡಿರಿ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಿಗಿಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಅದರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡಿಯೋ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಸ್. Ima, red ink, assets and expenses, debit balance. Red ink, liabilities and incomes, credit balances. Debit balance is 2. This is also 2. So come to the next page, Avni. Next page. तो line मारा.
What else do you write
मारी
in the
क्या?
P&L account?
line मारा ना. मम्मी को मत बोलना. Assets and expenses, debit balance. Liabilities and incomes, credit balance. Pallavi. So come to the next page. Next page. Interpretation of ledger balances. Interpretation of ledger balances. Geetika. Left side. Debit balances. Debit balances. Either assets or P&L account debit side. Agastya Udupa, Shreya Pujari, Harshita, Prajwal, Harshini, Latesh, Nikita, Maulya, Neelakanta, Padmalata. Credit balances, Pallavi, 2 RMRs. Either liabilities ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಹಿತಿ ಏನಂತಿ P&L credit balance. Anupama, Bindu Sripu, Purnima, Ninari Kaidala, Supreet. You written all of you written this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
extremely important. Very
Yes, sir.
crucial for journal entry. So all debit balances, assets and debit side, all credit balances, liability side, P&L account credit side. That is dance once. Only start. All assets and expenses. Well, all of you unmute and do it quickly. Copy. All assets and
all assets
expenses.
and expenses,
Expenses.
debit balance,
All liabilities and incomes.
all liabilities and incomes,
Credit balance.
Credit balance.
Clean. See, these are all very small points. I repeated this n number of times. Subsequent classes, all these are going to be used repeated. You should be the masters. What? Okay, Mayuri Dose, sorry, Mulbagil. Yes. Now all of you take meaning. Hey, Mayuri, Dose, Badkole. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ನಾವು on the top balance sheet के बाजू में you write all capital transactions, greening, all capital transactions, extremely important. Every topic is important. CA is a beautiful course. PUC marks will improve, your knowledge will improve, and you should be proud that you have taken up this course. Don't be Purimandes like everybody is doing just to become BCA. You do something different. हटके P&L account के बाजू में क्या लिखना है अवनी? All revenue. All revenue transactions. All capital transactions, all revenue transactions. Come to the third part, Sai Prajna. Reading. Interpretation of accounting transactions. Interpretation of accounting transactions. Put to 3 arrow marks. 3. Greening. Use the colors, you love it. First one, capital transactions. Capital transactions. Pakkadalli, intended. Use the word intended. Tanushree. Prakriti is there. Intended for long-term benefit. Intended for what? Dimple? Intended for long-term benefit. Long-term benefit. Long-term. Below that, balance sheet. Next. Revenue transactions. Second arrow mark. There are 3 arrow marks I said. Revenue transactions. Day-to-day transactions. Arising primarily out of capital transactions. Arising primarily out of the capital transactions. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ, ಅವನಿ, ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ,
Thank you.
ವಿಮಾ, ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ, ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್, Marisha, Nancy, recurring. So below that you write P&L account. So great. P&L. Can you come to capital transactions? In capital transaction pakka one word I can add. Pallavi Prashasti. ಏನಂತ? ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಮೃತಿ, ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಕು. ನಿಹಾರಿಕ ಬಂದಿಯೇನೆ? 5:15 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ.
Sorry, sir.
ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಚೂಡಿದಾರ್ ಸರ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಯಲಾಗ್ ಈ ನಡುವೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ? ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಚೂಡಿದಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎರರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನು? ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ, ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ, all of you chat to me, deferred spelling. Chitrana, chitrana. Deferred spelling, chat to me. Shetty sir Munpur antidiyalla kalisi. Vidya, you are right. Vidya was very confident when she started only. And trust me, 50% of you are given right answer, 50% of you are expected wrong answer. Deferred, why defer alla? Okay, shall we try? Okay, enough. DE single F adre, you give heart. DE double F adre, smiley. Quickly. Whoever think it is single F, DEFERRED, then it is a heart. Double F adre smiley. DEFFE. Ananya Hemad ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Dimple, what is spelling? Dimple Sri, Kumari Dimple Sri.
Single F.
You are Hitesh sister alva?
Yes, sir. I don't know whether the class is at early. Just I have come from college from 5:10, so I
Yeah,
attended.
that's okay. No problem. You are today college Saturday, so it's up to 5 o'clock.
Don't have leave, sir. Holidays.
Your dad is a teacher there, no?
Not like that, but we don't have board exams, sir. So
I know.
we have started.
Yeah, I enjoy. I had come to your college once when Gaya Madhuri were there. So nice. So now your brother. So for information, her brother is a all India top 50 capsite only. Foundation perspective, inter perspective, preparing for final. So now who is intelligent? Dimple. You are intelligent or Hitesh? Tell me. It's okay. You. Okay. Tell me.
Both are intelligent, sir.
Both are intelligent. Okay. No, he's in Bangalore. No, you can tell. I won't tell him. His boss is also my student. That is a different story. It's okay. You beat his marks. That's it. Whoever is intelligent, you'll also be happy. You'll also be happy. Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. No props. Now tell me. Deferred spelling is DEFERRED. It's a common mistake. Many people write double F alla. DEFERRED. DEFERR. Deferred revenue. No, statue. Succeeding spelling, Succeeding, all of you. SU double C na, double E na, Chat to me. Succeeding. This is the spelling. SU double C, double E, DING. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Preceding spelling, new elegade. Preceding. ಅದ್ಯಾರದು ಸಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ SU double C double E double D ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಬಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು? ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏಪ್ಪ ರಿಸೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Again wanted to know single E or double E. PREC double E na single E na? Double E ಆದ್ರೆ heart, single E ಆದ್ರೆ smiley. ಕೊಡಿ. So you can trust me that not everybody is giving the same answer. See, look at the heart and smileys. Alva. So spelling it is actually single E. Succeeding is double E. Preceding is PRECEDING. Now the best one. Ayyo, Niharika, it's okay. Best one, next best. All of you chat the spelling. 1 second. It will all look stupid, but trust me, this extra knowledge makes you little extraordinary. Ordinary to extraordinary difference is that little extra. I'll give it in writing. At least
Thank you.
good number of people give me a wrong spelling. Give the spelling of grammar. Grammar spelling. Yeah. Just chat. First mistake. First spelling only mistake. Over a cent. Second mistake. Third mistake. Fourth mistake. Fifth mistake. Sixth mistake. Oh wow. Seventh. See? So you think actually whatever I'm asking is stupid, but I'm not. Now you will may not. No doubt good number of people are given right answer also. So this is where you have to improve your all very basics. Okay, now again let's see. Because you may not trust simply spelling, no? Do one thing. Now all of you chat. All of it heart chat martira, chat to everyone. Do you want to chat to everyone? Chat to everyone. I gave the option now. Chat to everyone. But whatever you chatted, same thing you should chat. You should not change. No cheating, only chatting. Aram se Dimple eat slowly. Can you see the spelling differences? GRAMM, AR also there, ER also there. Can you see? Answer is GRAMM AR, not E. A for Andhra Pradesh, not E. Many people think it is still ER. It is GRAMM AR. The last one, Vidya, I think, has given right answer every time. Now, last one, all of you chat. To everyone, the spelling of vacuum. Vacuum cleaner hota hai na? Iska spelling chat karo. Don't bother about other spelling. Give your spelling. I know 90% will be wrong. Khali vacuum saak na. Cleaner alla beda. Amazing spelling. I saw only one spelling right till now, that to previous batch. 10. On the previous batch, 1 or 2 people are given. And if someone is searching somewhere, it's stupidity, don't do that. The spelling is, how many of you think VA CUM, heart? Your heart, first you give your heart. Vacuum, CUM. Whoever thinks, Vidya, next, how many of you think it is VA CUME? Use smiley. If you think it is ME, use smiley. Anybody thinks it is VACUUM? I saw someone spelling VACUUM, WM. Then you can give rocket. VACUUM. And for information, that is the right answer. So it's a very unique spelling. VACUUM, W. Vidya. Okay, bro? Okay. Now enough. Now continue. Deferred revenue transaction. Deferred revenue. Deferred, DEFERRED. Primarily revenue transaction. Deferred revenue is what? Primarily revenue transaction. Primarily revenue transaction. But the benefit is spread. For more than 1 year. More than
Can you repeat once?
primarily the deferred revenue, right? Rima, primarily revenue transaction. But the benefit is what? Pawan? Spread for more than 1 year, Rajit.
1 year.
More than 1 year. Below that, schedule. Initially shown in the balance sheet. Initially shown in the balance sheet. And then charged or amortized. So Ravi. Then what? Charged or what? Amortized. Ashita. AMORTISED. Amortized to P&L. Keep up and down. I'll go little further into that little later. So for the time being, capital transactions are long-term transaction which will continue in a long-term statement called balance sheet. I said in the first class, 1910, 2026, Tata Limited land will be still there, balance sheet. Whereas sales is a temporary revenue transaction. It appears Sanjana Gaonkar only in the P&L account. It is a revenue transaction. Sanjana, Chur Nagama, little spike. Yeah. So capital transactions appear in the balance sheet. Revenue transactions appear in the P&L account. What is deferred? Let us defer the discussion for the time being. There's one more concept. I'll come back to that concept. All of you use them. If you have got another ink, it's okay. Otherwise, black ink only. Black ink. Like this. Expenses outstanding from here to here. Outstanding 4. Then again from here to here, like this. Arrow mark. Same thing. What is written here? Outstanding 4. Expense outstanding. Honestly, income outstanding 4. Then, since you may get confused, I'm using one more ink. From here only, dot to dot to dot to dot to dot, blue ink. From expenditure. It may look a little confusing initially. Relax and chill. From here, dot, 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 dot. You write prepaid, blue ink. Prepaid, that's also 4. Prepaid. 4. Then from here to dot to dot to dot to dot to dot. Here, you write pre-received. Pre-received. That also write 4. Pre-received 4. So, point number 4, black ink. Next page. Representative personal account. Representative personal account. Outstanding. Take minute, I think you don't write like this. I'll change this format. Thing wrong. So left only. Right? Okay, I think it's all right. It's all right. We'll go with this confusion. So left only outstanding, black. Under that 2 RMRs. Outstanding expenses is what? Vaibhavi? Liability. Example, outstanding salary. Alle, outstanding income is an asset. Example, outstanding commission. Use blue ink. Prepaid ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಯಿ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ pre-received. Prepaid ಅಥವಾ received in advance. Prepaid ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಧನ್ಯ pre-received 2 RMRs. Prepaid expense is an asset. Example, prepaid insurance. Next, pre-received income is a liability. Example, interest received in advance. Interest received in advance. Have you written the chart?
Yes.
Have you written the chart?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the most beautiful, powerful fundamentals of accounting explained everything in 2 pages. First page format, next page. Everything you should know in and out. So now sit straight. I repeat this for the benefit of those who joined late for whatever reason. As I keep telling, I am an Indian and I am a human being. Any reference to any caste, creed, religion, God is only to understand the subject better. Yes, 5 people raise your hand. Yes. Yeah. Now, so okay, all of you keep your hands raised. No problem. Yeah. I'll ask one question. Same question, your answer has to be different. Tanushree, who is Rama?
Sita's
God.
husband.
One by one. Tanushree ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದವರು. It's okay. Boy. Okay. Sita's husband. Next, Vikram. Who is Rama?
Son of Dasharat.
Dasharatha's son. Lahari. Who is Rama?
Lakshmana's brother.
Lakshman's bro. Sai Prajna. Who is Rama?
Lavakusha's dad.
Lavakusha's father. Dad. Dad. Ananya Hemad. Who is Rama?
King.
And he was the king of Ayodhya. Next.
King.
ಆಯ್ತು king. ಆಯ್ತು ಪವನ್. Who is
King
Rama?
of Ravana.
Enemy of Ravana.
Enemy of Ravana. Prapti. Who is Rama? Prapti. Who is Rama? ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
God.
ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಹೇಳೋ. God. Parnita. Who is Rama?
A brother of Shatrughna.
Brother of Shatrughna. Next. Who is Rama? Tanushree M.
Sir God.
God. Okay. Skanda Bhargava. Who is Rama?
Friend of Hanuman.
Friend of
Hanuman.
Hanuman. Okay. Avani. Who is Rama?
Avatar of Vishnu.
Avatar of Vishnu. Now, if you look at this, now I don't know why you people are struggling. Okay, I could have given hundreds of answers about Rama. So look at it. Rama is same. You are looking him as a Dasharatha's son, then brother of Lakshmana, then Shatrughna's brother, Bharata's brother, Kausalya's son, Kaikeyi's son also, then Sumitra's son also, then Lavakush's father, Ravana's enemy, Hanuman's friend Atava God, then Sugriva's friend, Vibhishana's friend, so Ramana's hero. So if you could have told hundreds of answers, but Rama remains same.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same Rama you are looking from a different angle.
Yeah.
Like who are you? I'll ask. I'd asked this question earlier also. Same question. What do you ask me? You will struggle. That's why you ask me. Each one of you raise your hand and ask me same question kede. My answer will be different. Ask. Unmute ಮಾಡಿ ask.
Who are you, sir?
Who are you, sir?
One by one ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ LBMs, one by one. Okay. Shetty sir.
Who are you, sir?
Who are you,
Human
sir?
being.
Who are you, sir?
Indian.
Who are you, sir?
Male.
Who are you, sir?
Who are
Mangalorean.
you,
Who are you, sir?
who are you, sir?
Are you, sir?
Bangalorean.
Who are you, sir?
So father of someone, and someone under I know my daughter's name. Right. Next. Next son of someone, brother of someone, mama of someone, uncle of someone, neighbor of someone, then man with the what you call the little brain, not too much brain like you people. Then so tall, dark, handsome hero. Then CAPS founder, CAPS foundation founder with little qualification, Kanji Pinji CACS qualification. So all those things. Under some answer, why are you struggling? Who are you? Kedre? I'm man, I'm woman. Matte gottilla. Why did I ask this stupid question? Just to tell you, whatever we did now, that balance sheet P&L, everything is connected. You're looking from a different angle. Take this example. Throughout the example, I take Shetty sir, Pambida. What is this?
Shetty, sir.
There are some new
This
students
is
ಇರ್ತೀರಾ?
Pambida.
New students, let us start. Yeah. ಏನಾದ್ರು ತನುಶ್ರೀ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಪಾಲ್ಬಿಡ ಕೆನಿಸಿ ಈ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕೆನಿಸಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಗೀತಾಂಜಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ಸರಿತಾ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಬಾರೆ LBM ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಬಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕು ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಯಾರಿಕಾ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್ ದೇರ್ not visible correctly. Little go back little. So very good. So Shetty sir Palmada. So many people thought it is wrong. She is already having that branded item, bro. International brand it is. Satvi. Caps at 25 years sikta hai. LBM
Sir, $1 billion company, sir.
$1 billion company. Absolutely. Illi. Right. So Shetty sir Palmada. What is this? Shetty sir Palmada. Now for a Shetty sir Palmada, I purchase a computer. I purchase what? Computer. Computer is first point. Is it an asset?
Yes, sir.
Who are you? Business are you doing, sir? Who are you, sir?
I said I am Shetty sir Palmida. Who are you andre? So now for Shetty sir Palmida, I purchase computer. Is it an asset?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it a capital expenditure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it a real account?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
one computer, it is a capital expenditure also, it is an asset also, it is a real account also. So you are looking at Rama from different angle, you are looking at computer from different angle. So one angle you say it is an expenditure, one angle you say it is a capital expenditure, one angle you say it is a real account, one angle you say it is an asset. All are complementary to each other. समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, first discussion, extremely important. First discussion, all real accounts will appear only on the asset side, Mansi. All nominal account only in the P&L account. Personal account, debit balance on the asset side, credit balance on the liability side. Did you understand the first principle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Principle we kept on telling for last several classes. All assets and expenses show debit balance. All liabilities and income show
Credit
Credit balance.
balance.
Credit balance.
new friends, don't worry. Okay, we are just starting the syllabus. We still have introduction ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, but still important. Liabilities and income show showing which balance? Credit balance. Third principle I'll discuss in detail, capital and revenue. Wait. Fourth one is expense outstanding is a liability. I have to pay salary dena hai. It is a liability. Income outstanding ana hai barabeku. That is an asset. Expense outstanding what? With the liability. Income outstanding is an asset. Ulta. Expense prepaid. Simple. Your mobile, you are prepaid. That means you can use anytime. So prepaid expense is what? Asset. Whereas yes, ಮತ್ತೆ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಕುಚಿಪುಡಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ. So expenses prepaid is an asset. Whereas income pre-received is a liability. If you receive the income before even the right to receive another, it is a liability. I've understood those points except capital and revenue, which I not discussed in detail.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, extremely important, sit straight. This topic comes in at least 4 to 5 topic of your foundation itself. Capital versus revenue. I purchased furniture. Capital or revenue?
Capital.
Capital.
Who are you, sir?
Previous
Who are-
students, you have to ask first. You have to ask me first. Nikhil, who are you? First question you should ask me. So if I am a pan bida businessman, furniture is a capital. If I am a furniture dealer,
Asset.
it is a
Asset.
It is a revenue. It is a revenue transaction. It all depends. So capital transactions are intended for a long period. Revenue transactions are day-to-day, short period. Touching example you want? Do you want touching example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Smriti, your marriage is a capital transaction, husband or wife, whereas your girlfriend or boyfriend is a revenue transaction. Semester scheme, projects keep changing. You want me to explain? Or this one you already understood? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ ರಚನಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ PhD ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಡಿಂಪಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಇವನ್ I have done not in this topic. I am also PhD. What is PhD? PhD is actually doctorate, but my PhD.
Doctorate of philosophy.
So my PhD is different. You know, passed high school with difficulty. You know, PhD. Passed Arisha high school with the difficulty. Something like that. MBBS. An MBBS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆ
ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೀದಿ ಸುತ್ತು
ಏನೋ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Bachelor of
ಬೀದಿ ಸುತ್ತು
Yeah, this is so early, right? So, capital transactions data are
BD.
intended for a long period. Are what? Simple use purpose. Answer ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ mute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ capital transactions are intended for a long period, whereas revenue transactions are meant for a short period. Capital transactions are non-recurring in nature, whereas revenue transactions are recurring in nature. So now keep writing. Next line. Analyze the following. This is one more beautiful discussion. Beautiful discussion. Neat and bari. Wait. All of it down. Serial number. Particulars. Nature of transaction. Nature of transaction. Next, type of account. Last class we did little Now I'm improving it. Then in FS ಅಂದ್ರೆ financial statements. In FS, financial statement of the final accounts. Then ledger balance. You are looking at the same transaction from different angle. One more column if you want, you can keep. Serial number, particulars, then nature of transaction, type of account, in financial statement, ledger balance. All of you listening?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So first one, I have done it. Next one, you tell me. Furniture account. The top alibari, Shetty sir Panbida. Let us know the nature of the business. Shetty sir Panbida. Correct ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಪಾನ್ ಬಿಡ ಹಾಕಿ ಉಗಿದ್ರಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವೇನ್ರ?
Yes, sir.
Shetty sir Panbida. Done? ಗಮನಿತ ಆಯ್ತನಮ್ಮ?
ಆಯ್ತು sir.
Yes. Furniture account. Do you think it's a capital expenditure?
Yes,
First,
sir.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ? Capital expenditure. Type of account, real account, what kind of account? Personal, real or nominal? Quickly.
Real
Account.
ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2-3 true or false questions can be created. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ you should know this perfectly. Anything you don't understand, you can ask me. Next, it is an asset, debit balance. All of you copied?
Yes.
So then you write 1A. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ repairs to furniture ಇರ್ಬೋದು, repairs. Revenue expenditure, capital expenditure.
Revenue expenditure.
Revenue expenditure.
Personal, real or nominal?
Nominal account. Nominal.
ಎಲ್ರು ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Nominal account. Asset, liability, income, expenditure.
Expenditure.
Debit balance, credit balance.
Credit balance.
Credit balance.
Debit balance.
Debit. Expenses. Debit.
Debit.
Expenses.
Next, 1B. The beauty of reasoning. Depreciation. Beautiful way of understanding and writing. ನಾನು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ because I enjoy what I do. Whether I enjoy or not doesn't matter for you. You enjoy, it matters a lot. Yes, depreciation. ಏನದು?
Revenue
expenditure. Very good. Then what kind of account?
Nominal.
In financials, expenditure, asset.
Expenses.
What balance?
Debit balance. Debit balance.
Next, look at the kind of examples I am giving with the reasoning. Okay. Next, point number 2, plant or plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Manufacturing purpose. What kind of account it is? Capital or revenue?
Capital.
Real, asset, debit balance. Next, repairs. If the plant is repairs, what is your answer?
Revenue expenditure.
Nominal account expenses debit balance.
ನಾವೆಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಾಪಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಲ್ಬಾಗಿಲ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್.
New expenditure, nominal account expenses debit balance.
ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ದೋಸೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Okay.
Shall I?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, cars. If I purchase a car or vehicle, whatever, ಇದು the capital revenue.
Capital expenditure.
Capital expenditure.
Capital expenditure.
Capital
Real account.
expenditure.
Asset to debit balance.
Very good. Very good. Compete. Healthy competition ಇರ್ಲಿ. Fight ಮಾಡಿ. Next, petrol ಅಥವಾ ಡೀಸೆಲ್.
Revenue expenditure.
Revenue expenditure.
Account expenses debit.
Expenditure to
Debit.
debit balance.
Depreciation.
Depreciation.
Expenditure nominal.
Expenditure nominal account.
Now all of you take your greening. I cannot do that. I know ಕಷ್ಟ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು all of you take your greening like this. So all of you listening?
Yes, sir.
I have written 1A, then I have written 1B. Correct alva? Same way I have written 2A, 2B. Same way 3A, 3B. I want all of you to connect your 1, 2 and 3 with the greening. Wait. So this one, I'll just color it now for my understanding. Mute ಮಾಡಿ, please mute after answering. Network issue ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. Debit balance. Yes. All the three you connect like this. Green. Then take red ink. Red ink ಅಲ್ಲಿ wait. ಹೆಂಗೆ? Like this. So 1A, 2A and 3A connect. There's a beautiful flow if you appreciate it. CA is very easy if you use some smart approach. Kali PUC become approach use mada CA agodilla. There are some places only with PU become their teaching, learning, etc. I'm sorry. They are very good at their PUC become, but it's not working. CA market is completely spoiled because of that. People are saying CA stuff because they're not giving the right approach. And people are falling, can't help it. Next, take a blue ink. Then blue ink ali. So 1C, 1B ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? Yeah. 1B, 2B, 3B. ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now look at me. Then all of you done this? Beautiful.
Yes.
For a Shetty sir plant, furniture is expected to be long term. Plant and machinery is long term. Computer vehicles are long term. Since they are intended for a long period, they are called capital transactions. Capital transactions, where does it go? Balance sheet, asset side. Now, you do not have vehicles. You purchase petrol to drink?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, without vehicle, petrol is meaningless. Now go back and see my definition of revenue. Revenue transaction primarily arise because of the capital transaction. Vijay Vittal. If there is a plant purchase, there is a petrol. Sorry, plant purchase, there is a depreciation. If there is a vehicle purchase, there is a petrol. If there is a furniture purchase, there is a repairs. Sir, furniture nahi hai, but furniture repairs. Nonsense. Mental case. So, revenue transactions. Correct, Nama Priyanka? Revenue transactions arise because of the capital transaction. You are all very young. Mute for you. So, but still one stupid example. So, marriage, children. Capital transaction, revenue. It may be stupid, but correct example. You imagine your parents. All your parents are married, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
our generation, everything was normal.
Yes, sir. Yes,
In
sir.
our generation, everything was normal. So my parents were married. Your parents are married?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There are a lot of things. I don't want to get into all those nonsense. Huh? So look at the connection to the subject. So you don't go into only marriage. Marriage, shadi ho gaya, then bachche ho gaya. I purchase a computer, there is a depreciation. I purchase a car, there is a repair. I purchase a vehicle, there is a petrol. Without having a car, I have petrol. Before marriage, I have children. In our generation, it is not there. It may sound stupid, but the correct example. Touch aita?
sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
sir.
But one interesting point you should do today after the class. So you should go and ask what your parents, why you didn't invite me to your marriage anta. What Avani? एक बार पूछना, but distance maintain करो. Okay, नहीं तो मरेगे. Okay, so why you didn't invite me for the marriage anta?
Sir, why
ये ना?
you were not your parents' marriage?
ये ना?
Sir, were you in your parents' marriage?
100% yes. You ask first. LBN
How,
first.
sir?
First I ask, no? First I ask, you ask, okay? Then do one thing. They say no. Then revenge series, Avani. What revenge? Don't invite your parents out to your marriage. Then you tell, you didn't invite me to your marriage. That's why I'm not inviting you to my marriage. Anta.
I won't marry, sir.
Huh?
I won't marry.
So that, see, last 25 years, I'm into teaching. And good number of students I come across. Whoever says, I won't marry, uska first invitation aata hai, shadi ka. Thank you. I say, okay. They tell you, are inspired by that joke answer. 2021 ऐसा हो गया, 2026 गेस्ट है, सब है, कैश है, गैस नहीं है, 2031 गैस है, कैश है, शादी के लिए नहीं, शादी नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा ही. It's okay, relax. No, it may be stupid explanation what I connected, but did you understand now? Without vehicle, there cannot be petrol. Without marriage, there cannot be children. Did you understand the logic cleanly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very important. I am reasonably tall, almost 6 feet. I purchased by mistake small Reva car. You have seen an electric car. It's a good car. No issues on that. But after purchasing, I realized that my head is coming out of the bonnet because I'm reasonably tall. I purchased thinking I can use for long, but within 3 days I sold. Capital or revenue?
Capital.
Because my intention is to hold it for a longer period. Intended. Yenappa, Vidya? Intended. So since I want, whether I sold or not, the next question. So capital transaction. Now very important, my dear friends. Look at a table there. Capital transactions are intended for a long period. That's why it goes to the balance sheet asset side. It may be furniture, it may be plant or car. Whereas repairs is happening on a day-to-day basis. Depreciation is happening on a day-to-day basis. It is a revenue expenditure, goes to P&L account. सबको समझ में आ गया है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you are enjoying? All of you are enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Double, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next.
Yes, sir.
Point number 4. Right. Share capital. It comes in company account or the capital. My first few completed friends, relax and chill. It is nothing but company's money. It's called share capital. Share capital. So company has taken the money. Capital. Is it for long or short?
Long
Period of time.
Long period. Long period.
Long period. 1 second. I missed it. It's okay. Can you start writing in blue ink now? Now onwards. Till now you written black ink, so that at least you will have a differentiation. Blue ink meliko. Share capital is what? Share capital is? Yeah. Capital receipts. Capital receipts है payment है. Companies receive
Receipts. Capital receipts.
receipts. Very good. Capital receipts. Yes. Capital receipts. So what kind of account? Share capital. Quickly. Personal, real, or nominal. Quickly.
Personal account.
Personal account, sir.
Personal because it's a liability. Personal account. Personal account. Next.
Liability.
Liability.
Very good.
Liability.
So now you are getting the beautiful connection now because you are 80% of syllabus balance with P&L. Which balance? Quickly.
Credit.
Now, my second PU entering people won't understand, but still you write. Dividend paid. Dividend paid. Every year you pay. What kind of what kind of transaction is that?
Revenue expenditure.
Revenue expenditure.
Every year you pay revenue expenditure. That means what kind of account is that?
Nominal account.
Nominal account.
That means there's an expenditure.
Ex-
Which balance? Which balance?
Debit balance.
That's it. Then 5. SBI loan. You have taken a loan. SBI loan / debentures. Second PU friends, relax. It's a chapter which I'm going to discuss. ಸಾರ್ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ. SBI loan ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್. Yes. Capital or revenue?
Capital.
Capital.
Loan for a long period. Capital. Personal account. Liability. Credit balance. Yes. Second PU complete friends, you tell me. What do you pay for the loan taken for the debentures?
Interest.
Interest.
Interest. Remind me one joke on interest. Interest paid. Tell me, capital or revenue, what you pay every year?
Revenue.
Revenue.
Nominal account. Expenditure, debit balance. Again, first transaction, what is there? Green ink you connect. This one and this one is connect with green ink. Then next one, debit balance. When a company takes the money, that's called share capital. It's a big chapter which I'll be teaching you around 25 marks. So it's a capital receipt. On the capital taken, you have to pay something. If you take a loan on that, what you pay is called interest. Badi. En makaldra?
Badi, sir.
Bermuda alla. Badi. You know?
Badi, sir.
So, Prapti. Prapti. In close, yeah, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ RNS ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಕಾರುಣ್ಯನ ತಾರುಣ್ಯನ? ತಾರುಣ್ಯ. ಈಗ ತಾರುಣ್ಯ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. ಅಥವಾ ಸಹನ ನಿನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸಹನನ ಮಗನ ನೀನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀಯ ನೀನು? ಹೇಳು ಸಹನ ಮಗನನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀಯ?
ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮಗ.
ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅವನಿ. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಡ್ಡಿ. ಬಡ್ಡಿಸ್ ಮಗ ಇಸ್ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮಗ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಕಂದ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ? ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮಗನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು? ಕೃತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ capital, so on the share capital you pay dividend, on the loan you pay what? Interest. समझ में आ गया सबको? So now
Yes.
you go back, Okay, better. No point in some. Next, use one more ink. I think you don't have multiple inks, I know. Paragila. Point number 6. You can use a red ink only. Yeah. Preliminary expenses. Again, entering second PU, wait. Company accounts ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. Expenses before starting the company. That's called preliminary expenses. What kind of expenditure? Anybody? Deferred revenue. Deferred revenue expense. Personal account initially. Asset temporarily, if you can write temporarily. The temporary asset, not permanent asset. Then last one, it shows a debit balance. Which balance? Debit balance. Yes, 6A. 6A. Preliminary expense written off. Preliminary expense written off within the bracket. Like depreciation. You won't understand much about it, just write. Like depreciation. It is the revenue expenditure, nominal account expenditure, debit balance. Last example, 7. Have you heard of underwriting commission? Doubt ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ we'll stop.
No, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ ಆವಾಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇನಫ್. By mistake, I pressed the wrong key. I exited. Sorry. Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
The post, ma. ಯಾರದು? ಹರಿ ಅಕ್ಕ
ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So ಇದು ಸಾಕು ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಉಳಿದು ಬೇಡ. Control minus. Okay. So now look at it. You understood clearly what is capital, which is intended for what? Long period. Some of you may be wondering what I'm wearing. Mehendi alla, aದೇನೋ color therapy, relax and chill, heat ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕಲರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. We'll tell you all this. Whoever wants to have a what is that? Needleless medicine, no? You have to get into all these easy techniques without taking any medicine. You can lead your life happily, healthy. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ಶಿಟಿ ಸರ್ ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಾನೇನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು don't look at that only. Okay, so look at me. So I was trying to say, what is capital transaction Shrestha? The benefit which is going to be there for long period. I purchase a car. Now in your own house, some of you may have a cycle, two-wheeler, car. You purchase and sell every 2 days. ಹಳೆ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಹಳೆ ಕಬ್ಬಣ ಗಿರಾಕಿಗಳ ನೀವು?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Obviously, so they are all called capital transaction. And for that, what you incur on a day-to-day basis, repairs हो सकता है, petrol हो सकता है, depreciation हो सकता है, all these are revenue. Capital goes to balance sheet, revenue comes to P&L. Marriage is balance sheet, children are P&L. From the marriage, children come. From the capital transaction, revenue transaction arise. Have you understood the connection?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Deferred revenue, I'll just touch it now, which I'll teach you when I go to company accounts detail. It is a revenue only, name only says revenue, but the benefit is spread for more than 1 year. When the benefit is spread for more than 1 year, that is called deferred revenue transaction. So, best example, now don't get into IPL, etc. If you get into IPL on a regular basis, 100% CA will not happen. 100% not happen. Okay. So, maybe if your exam is not in May, September, May, then when IPL you are so crazy, semi-final, final, you watch. I don't have problem. But now only you keep on doing, how is that cheer girl, who is that cheer boy, and you're wasting your time. Life gone. Gone case. I know some people are so crazy. Oh, there's a business. They are doing marketing and you are becoming the fools of it. They are becoming the fools of it. I am very serious. I love Dhoni. I love Kohli. You love everyone. No problem. RCB for, see, I don't follow any cricket match. I'm the hardcore what do you call cricket fan once upon a time, but this IPL absolutely ruined the nonsense. Okay, and RCB, I'm not a fan of RCB, Chennai, whatever it may be, because RCB hardly anybody, any Bangalorean is there. All said and done, for the purpose of not their mistake, 11 players, 11 people have lost their lives last time. Can you imagine in Bangalore, 11 people, and that too, some of them are totally unconnected. One of the chartered accountant, and chartered accountant or anybody, the human being is human being. So just for a game which is nowhere connected, you come and celebration and you lose your life here. What nonsense! Absolute nonsense. And then you watch. I don't say some final match, something about World Cup. It's okay. You IPL match not good, and every now and then there's a match going on. You want to write foundation exam every now and then? No.
Yes.
That's why better change your approach and attitude life. So, capital is long term, revenue is short term. Deferred revenue is, it is basic revenue. Once in 4 years, there's a World Cup, 50 over World Cup. Other once in 4 years, football World Cup. Some of you are following. So during World Cup, they spend huge money. That advertisement, huge. That advertisement is a revenue expenditure, but the benefit is spread for next 4 years. Deferred revenue expenditure. Have you understood?
Yes.
Example which I'll discuss later. Right? So quickly, if you want that example, quick, that's a better example. Yes. Example number 7. Example 7. 4-year World Cup advertisement expenditure. Not every 2 years. Every year IPL alla. That's nonsense. Nonsense. Anybody want to come and fight with me? Fight. Bad thing in tale gudittinanu. IPL anna ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಏನು
4-year
World-
World
World Cup advertisement expenditure. Answer same. You have to copy this. Deferred revenue expenditure. It is initially personal account initially. Asset temporary. Debit balance. ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ your transfer to P&L account. ಕೆಳಗೆ same written off. Same written off or the writing off. Same thing you copy. The last 2 examples tale ಕೆಡಿಸಬೇಡಿ. Once in 4 years ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ that's why ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪರಿಣಿತ ಗೊತ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ? ರೈಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So now whatever you written today, that balance sheet P&L, not this balance sheet P&L one page, and next page you have written the notes of that. You have to write minimum 2 more times. Did you hear what I said? Now there are 2 ways of looking at what we say. Oh, you sir, you are giving imposition punishment. If that is the attitude, you can't become a CA. This is only an improvement, because this is the topic which is going to come again and again and again and again. That's why you have to practice. Practice makes your woman perfect. Man perfect. What about woman?
Human perfect.
Human perfect.
Practice makes man perfect. What about woman? Badkoli.
Now,
Without
perfect, sir.
ಏನು ಧನ್ಯ? ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಡ ಏನೋ?
We are born perfect, sir.
Oh, excellent. I love that. I wanted that answer. Yo, boys, look at me now. Look at me. Yo, you know? So I said, practice makes man perfect. Now she's saying what? Women are born perfect. Now listen carefully. Your friend only told, women are born perfect. As per my knowledge goes, only babies are born, not women. Imagine women are born. Babies are born, women are born. Shrestha. Who is born? Women are born directly by birth only, or 20 years, 30 years. Wow. Babies are born, alva. Who is born? Shati, yare? Women are born, Devre. Anyway, just for fun, relax. Yes. So, Kushagiri, enjoy Madi. Yes. 2-3 points. Tomorrow, holiday, Majja Madi, Sunday. And all the best for those who are waiting for your PUC results. Monday, Tuesday, yaವಾಗ then we still continue the demo session for a couple of days, but form has been released about the material. Whoever registers and collects, you can start collecting the material, because from next week I want material in your hand. Start collecting at the earliest. Still some of them are waiting for PU results. Let them wait, no issue. And also if there is still is really serious demand, so from the after 15 days, 20 days, we'll be starting our offline class at Chamrajpet only if it is required. So you tell your friends, urgent model bada. Some of them are waiting for the result. That's why in Bangalore, if they want to restart the offline class, we are ready. But subject, enjoy the online. I still say offline is a waste of time, energy waste, fatigue. People don't understand, can't help it. If they still want, it's okay. When everybody is doing, let us also do something. No issue. Yes, one joke I told. What is the joke I told?
interest.
Interest.
Okay, this simple joke. Try madkodi. Yes. Lahari went to a bank with 10 lakh rupees money. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು. There are 2 accounts. Savings bank they give interest. Current account is for business. They don't give interest. Okay, there's a logic. So she went and asked, so bank manager, 10 lakh I have, I want to keep it in the current account deposit. He said, no interest. Larry came back. No way. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು. What did he say? He said, for the current account, if you keep, no interest we give. This girl thought he doesn't have any interest. He doesn't have any interest only. He came back. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಜೋಕ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
ದೇವರು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನದು? Okay, so Shairi, those who can understand Hindi, did I tell angle yesterday? No. Lot of Shairis are there. Hindi Shairi, if you can understand. So Rishabh was telling, looking at that, what do you call, North Indian girl. Maine usko dekha, angle badal ke. Wow. Maine usko dekha, angle badal ke. और उसके बाप ने मुझे मारा, सैंडल बदल के. Those who want to know in Kannada there is a shairi, beautiful shairi. ದೂರದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಕಣ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ವೇನೋ, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಹತ್ರ ಹೀಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನೋ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ದೂರದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಂಹ, ವಾವ. ಅದು ಸಿಂಹ. ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಕ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ತಿನ್ನಲ್ವೇನೋ ನಿನ್ನ? ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. Now quickly take a break. Within 5 minutes come back because your class is at 6:55 now. And those who have a doubt, you can stay back. 6:55 to 8:25. 8:25 class gets over today. Understood? Quickly come back. 5 minutes short break only. Quickly come back. Yes, Vidya. All of the doubts, you can note it down.
Sir, can I know the heading for the fourth point that we discussed after interpretation of accounting transaction?
Repeat. What is the point?
So the fourth point heading after the interpretation of accounting transaction.
Fourth point heading is
Representative.
personal account.
Representative personal account. All of them are outstanding and prepaid. They are called representative personal account. How do you treat? Treatment. Okay, Baba, you're doing well. Very good. Excellent. Keep asking. Yes, Amrita.
ಸರ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
ಅದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ನೀನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಕಳಿಸು. ನಮ್ಮ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1800 ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು?
ಹಾ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲೋಕ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಜ. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಂದು?
ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ದು ನೀನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಕಳಿಸು ಒಂದು. ಮತ್ತೆ
ಕಳ್ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ನಿನ್ ಮನೆ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಗಡಿ ರೋಡ್ ಹತ್ರ.
ಅದೇ ನೀವೇ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡನ್ಜೋ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ?
ನಾವೇ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ನಟರಾಜ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ನಟರಾಜ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಬಾ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಿಂದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ನೀನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಮನೆಯವರು ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ರಿಸೀಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಬುಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರ್. ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ತನುಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ.
ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ JSPU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ JSPU ಬಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಬೇಕಾರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬೇಕಾರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಳೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ನಾನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಲಿಖಿತ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು 20 ಜನ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತೆ? ಒಂದು 20
ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳು. ಲಿಖಿತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳು. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಮ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಲಿಖಿತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೇಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಎಸ್, ಲಹರಿ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್.
ಸರ್, ಪ್ರೀ-ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಮ್ಮ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅದಾದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗಲೇ. You received the income before you are doing the transaction. So that means what? Suppose ನಾಳೆ ನೀನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡು ಅದು ಕಾಸನ್ನ. Before doing the job only you got the money. If you don't do the job, you have to give back. That's why it's a liability.
Okay, sir.
Right, Rachana.
Sir, journal entry doubt is sir. ಈಗ ಬಾಟ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು?
ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಟುಡೇ ಮೋದಿಜ್ ಇಕಾನಮಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನಾವು ಆಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಬೇಗ.
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಏನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ನಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ. ನೀನ್ PUC ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಂದು?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು April 7th.
ಅದೇ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜು?
ತಪಸ್ಯ PU ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಚಂದಾಪುರ.
ತಪಸ್ಯನಾ?
ಹಾ, ಚಂದಾಪುರ.
ಹೌದು, ತಪಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ಸಮ್ಮನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ತಪಸ್ಯ ಕಾಲೇಜ್? ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ PU ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದಿನ ಸಂಜೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ 5:30 to 7, 7:15 to 8:45 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 3.5 months ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ PUC ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಮನೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು CA ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 83 ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, 8310249327.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
8310249327. 8310249327.
49327.
8310249327.
ಹಾ.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಮಾಡು, ಅವ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
ನಿನಗೆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಡಿಫರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸರ್? ಅದು ಡಿಫರ್ಡ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ.
ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
Hi sir, how are you sir?
Fine sir, how are you sir?
Fine
Just-
fine sir.
You can just give them 2 minutes sir. Actually I left them for 4 minutes back. In 2 minutes you can give them sir, with your permission.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait for 2 minutes and
Yeah, please. Yes sir.
okay, I'll just mute myself and this thing. All of you all take a bio break and come back in 2 minutes.
Sir, it's not your first class no sir. You have been introduced.
No.
You already
Yeah,
taken.
I've taken a class for them. No, I'm telling to take a bio break for them because
Yeah,
they
I
would
got it sir. I thought you ನನಗೆ ಬೈತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ bio break.
bio.
Yes sir, you can start sir. Immediately after 2 minutes you can start.
Okay,
thank you. Yes. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ 1 year. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟುಡೇ ಯು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ದ ಮನಿ, ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ 1 year. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್. ಈಗ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 4 years ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಆಗೋದು FIFA. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ 50 over ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 1 year. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್. ಅದಿನ್ನು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 8312 ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕೋ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗೈಡ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ICI ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ
ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಆಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳು, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಂದು.
ಇದೆ ಸರ್. 97 40 699
375. ನಿಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು
ಹಾ
8312 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಕಳಿಸು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Yes, Harshita, last question. Sir is already there. Harshita? I'm not able to hear. Yes, all of you switch on the video quickly. Sir is there. Start. I've given already more than 3 minutes extra break. Yeah. Yes, sir. Rajiv, sir, you can please continue, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. With your permission, I'll drop, sir. Sorry. 3 minutes late.
Please. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, Larry, take over.
Okay. Larry,
Yes, sir.
you're there, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So all of y'all, if you remember, yesterday we discussed all the different types of contracts were done. Remember, we did the difference between void agreement, void contract, difference between an unenforceable contract, what is a quasi contract, all those aspects were finished. We also discussed in the last class the difference between jus in rem and jus in personam, if you remember. Any right against the whole world is called as jus in rem. So if you buy a bike, nobody can touch your bike, nobody can use it, nobody can do anything. It's a right against the whole world. But when you are dealing with a specific person, for example, let's say you gave a loan to somebody and he doesn't return it, you have a right only against that person to whom you have given the loan, not against the whole world. So that is called jus in personam. And I told you all contracts create jus in personam. What it creates jus in personam. So we discussed quasi, we discussed all the different types of contracts. We also discussed on the basis of validity, e-contract. Now what we have to do is we have to start off from a concept called offer and acceptance. I told you all the essentials of a valid contract: offer and acceptance, consideration, legality of object, free consent, capacity to contract, all are given under separate headings under the Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3 of the Indian Contract Act. So we'll start off with offer. We have to start from offer, right, Larry?
Yes, sir.
So you can start reading from there. And Larry, one more small thing, Larry. Just take my email ID from Subiksha, no? Or take my
Yes, sir.
phone number and uh, uh, email ID from Subiksha. So what happens is when you log into the meeting just before my class starts, right? Send me the meeting ID and the password, correct or no? To
Okay,
my
sir.
email ID. And also take my number because suppose I drop off in the middle of the class or suppose there's a technical issue and all, I won't know whom to call. I can't trouble Subiksha again and again, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll need, see, like last time Pranav I used to take responsibility. Remember Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So he used to take responsibility. So I had his number and he used to read out, right? So now you will be the person, right, who will take responsibility. So you have to send me two
Okay,
things you have to do. Take my email ID from Subiksha and send me the link as soon as you log in, 5-10 minutes before, because Subiksha sends me links and sometimes it gets buried with the inbox and second thing is take my phone number also and give me a missed call after the class, or I'll just call me up and say, sir, I'm Larry, or send me an SMS. I don't use WhatsApp. So just send me an SMS, I'm Larry. So then
Okay,
I'll
sir.
store your number. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And I'll start off with offer and acceptance. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Definition of offer or proposal. According to Section 2A of the Indian Contract Act 1872, when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of that other to such act or abstinence, he is said to make a proposal.
Okay, now listen here. As I told you, since this act was made in 1872, the wordings of the Indian Contract Act are a little ancient. They're a little old. So just bear with me when she reads out the definition. You have to memorize the definitions. There is no other go. When one person signifies to another his willingness to do something or abstain from doing something with a view of obtaining the assent of some other party by such act or abstinence, it is called an offer. What do you mean by this? See, if you see this definition clearly, when one person signifies to other, signify means tells another person. So let's take an example of Larry itself. Now, Larry goes to a showroom and she likes one mobile phone over there. Let's say she wants to buy a brand new iPhone, correct or no? She wants to buy iPhone 17. And she tells that person, what a beautiful phone. I am offering to buy this iPhone 17 Pro for 1 lakh rupees. What, for 1 lakh rupees? What has she done? When one person signifies to other, she signified to the shopkeeper her willingness to do something. What is she willing to do? Pay 1 lakh rupees. Yeah, purchase. And why is she giving that 1 lakh offer? With a view of obtaining the assent of the party. Assent means telling yes, so that the other person says yes. Once he says yes, automatically the contract will. So anytime you make an offer to do something or abstain means tell I'm not going to do something. So here, when I gave you the example of Larry, she offered to pay rupees 1 lakh to the shopkeeper to buy the iPhone 17. But what about abstain from doing something? Now I'll give you an example. Shreya is the tenant of Larry. And Shreya hasn't paid the rent for 2 months or 3 months. Larry goes to tell her, Shreya, you had to pay rent of 25,000 per month for the last 3 months, 75,000. If you pay me the amount of 75,000 plus 5,000 as interest, I will not file a case against you in the police station. What? I will not file a case against you in the police. So here, Larry is telling, I will not do something. What she will not do? She is making an offer from abstaining. I will not file a case against you in the police station. So when one person signifies to another willingness to do something or not to do something, here she told, I'm not going to file a case against you in the police station. So that Shreya tells yes, and the contract is completed. Then Shreya pays her 80,000, the contract comes to an end. So remember, whenever you signify to another person your willingness to either do something or abstain from doing something. Abstain means telling, okay, I don't want to do this with a view of obtaining the assent. That is getting the yes of the second party. It is called as offer. What it is called as an
Offer.
Offer. Understand? Okay. Now I want to tell you some two or small other things. An offer is also called a proposal. What it's also called a proposal.
Proposal.
Okay. And I want to make three things clear. Sometimes we call it an offer, we call it a proposal, we also call it a promise. She promised to pay 1 lakh, right? Understand? She promised to pay 1 lakh. So we also call it as a promise to do something or not to do something. Okay, now let's come to the second part. The person making the offer is called the offerer, the promiser, or the proposer. So here when Larry told the shopkeeper, I want to buy that mobile phone for 1 lakh rupees, Larry becomes the offerer, OFFERER, or proposer, or promiser, or
Promise.
the person to whom the offer is made is called the offeree, or proposee, or promisee. So the shopkeeper here is the offeree. She made the offer to him, or promisee because she made the offer to him, or the proposee. And as soon as he accepts the offer, he becomes an acceptor. But he becomes an acceptor. Understood or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
so the person to whom the offer is made is called the offerer or promiser or proposer. The person to whom the offer is made is called the offeree or proposee or promisee. So remember, whenever you keep hearing the word promiser, promiser, promisee, it just means that the person who makes the offer is the promiser, to whom the offer is made is called the promisee. Understood? Yes. Continue, Larry.
Yes, sir. Essentials of a proposal or offer are: the person making the proposal or offer is called the promiser or offerer.
I told you this second.
For a valid offer, the party making it must express his willingness to do or not to do something.
Willingness to do something. When he makes the willingness to do something, it's called a positive offer. When he tells I'm not going to do something, it's called a negative offer. So when she says I'm going to pay you 1 lakh rupees, it's a positive offer. She says I won't file a case against you, it's called a negative
offer.
The willingness must be expressed with a view to obtain the assent of the other party to whom the offer is made.
So when you're making the offer, why are you making the offer? So that the other person says yes. So if you're just telling it for the sake of telling it, it's not considered offer. It should be made seriously with the view of obtaining the assent of the other party. Assent means that person should say yes. Understood?
An offer can be positive as well as negative.
I told you when you tell offer to do something, it's called a positive offer. When you offer not to do something, it is called a
Negative offer.
Understood or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Classification of offer. An offer can be classified as general offer, special or specific offer, cross offer, counter offer, standard or open or continuing offer.
Let's go one by one. So the first one is general offer, right? Or special offer. What are they given first?
General offer.
Okay. Read that. Now these are different class. Just like you have classification of contracts, you have classification of offer. Okay.
Yes, sir. General offer. It is an offer made to public at large and hence anyone can accept and do the desired act. Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Co. In terms of Section 8.
In terms of Section
8 of the Act, anyone performing the condition of the offer can be considered
to be a okay. Now see, what is the general offer? Whenever an offer is made to the world at large and anybody can accept the offer, it is called as a general offer. What it is called as a
General offer.
I'm going to give. So the most famous case over here is Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company Limited. There was this lady called Mrs. Carlyle. Okay, she was an old lady. And there was a company called Carbolic Smoke Ball Company which made these capsules. What it made?
Capsules.
Capsules. And they put an advertisement in the paper which said that any person who uses our capsules will not have influenza or flu. And if he gets flu, we will pay him a reward of £100. Let's say 10,000 rupees. What will pay him a reward of 10,000 rupees? I'm just giving an example. I don't know how much is that. £100. So there was an offer made by the company which said that we are offering to pay 10,000 rupees to anybody who contracts influenza, who gets influenza or flu or fever after using our capsules. What after using our
Capsules.
capsules? This Carlyle was an old lady. She ate the capsules, not she ate. Actually, these capsules are you put in the water and that steam will come out. No, that's why it's called smoke ball. Has anybody done steaming with that eucalyptus oil and all?
Yes, sir.
That. So this you put that capsule inside. Remember that that vapor will come out. So these are those smoke ball capsules. So she used those capsules for steaming. But even after she used those capsules, she got influenza. So she went to the company and asked, I want the prize money, 10,000 rupees. They said, why will we give you? He said, sir, you only mentioned the paper that whoever uses your capsules and if they get influenza, you'll pay them the money. They said, we didn't tell you, no. You are such an old lady. Even if you do that steaming, if you use our capsule 5 times a day also, you will definitely get because your immunity is only less. We will not give you the money. So she filed a case against the company. What? She filed a case against the
Company.
The company said, sir, we made an offer, but we didn't make an offer to her because she's so old. But the court held that when you make an offer, did you say that people under 60, 50, you made an offer to the world at large. And when you make an offer to the world at large, any person can accept the offer. What any person can accept the offer. So whenever an offer is made to the world at large, where any person can accept the offer, it is called a general offer. What it is called? A general offer or a universal offer. For example, you read in the paper today, special Easter offer. Tomorrow between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. come to Smart Bazaar and buy t-shirts for ₹500 each. Now anybody can go and buy a t-shirt. If Larry goes, can they say, no, Larry, we can't give it to you?
No, sir, they can't.
They can't because they made the offer to the world at
General.
Understand? No? So whenever an offer is made to the world at large, it is called as a general offer. Now let's go to the second one, special offer or specific offer. Exactly the opposite of that. You want to read one line out of it or I'll explain it off? Heroine? Larry?
Sir, you explain it.
Okay. Now, exactly the opposite of general offer is something called as a special offer or a specific offer. When an offer is made only to a specific person or a specific individual and not to the world at large, it is called a special offer or a specific offer. Now, whenever an offer is a specific offer, only the person to whom the offer is made can accept the offer and nobody else. I'll repeat it again. Whenever an offer is made only to a specific person and not to the world at large, it is called as a specific offer or special offer. And when you make a specific offer, only that person can accept the offer. Nobody else can accept the
offer.
Shreya, you're there. Hi, Shreya. Is she there or not there?
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Shreya, pick up 2 or 3 people, no, from the middle of the class whom we have not asked before quickly.
Okay, sir.
Fast. And I don't have time. We have a big scarcity of time. We have to finish portions. We have to discuss question papers. We have to do lots of things.
Sir, Satri Patil.
Who?
Satri, sir, sorry.
Huh? What did she say? Sexy pie?
Sir, Satvi.
Oh, Baba, I'm getting scared and all. She's telling sexy and all. What is she telling, Larry?
Sir.
I don't know, sir.
Huh? Shreya, tell me again, who? Sexy?
Sir, Sat.
Spell it out. Chuma and all, don't give all that.
SATHVI.
SATH VI. Hi, Satvi.
Hello, sir.
What is she calling you sexy Satvi? What is she saying?
No, sir.
Where are you from, Satvi?
Udupi.
Ah, that's why she finds you very happy. You put on a video.
Yes, sir.
Give a nice smile. Hey, we had to make Deepika put on a video today. Hey, Deepika, you're there.
Yeah, sir.
You put on your video.
No, sir.
Hey, Deepika, you can't do this. Yesterday you promised you'll put the video. You washed your hair also today. Put on your video,
Yeah.
please. Hey, put on a video, yeah. Just smile. Give a nice smile. What, you've opened your hair or tied it?
Yeah, I've opened it only, sir.
Oh my God. Now, if all the boys will see you means they won't concentrate on me. They'll only concentrate on you. What to do, Deepika?
Nothing like that.
Hey, put on a video. Hey, Larry, she put on a video, Deepika.
Just 1 minute.
Put it on. We wanted to see you. At least I can't see me. I'm blind, but at least she put out on. This Larry, spotlight her. Give a nice Colgate smile. Then I'll tell her to remove the smile. She gave a smile.
Yeah, sir.
Looking beautiful, no, Larry?
Yes, she's really pretty.
Very pretty,
Oh, thank
Deepika. Okay, Deepika. Good. Keep looking beautiful like this
Okay.
only. No problem is that all boys will concentrate.
Yeah, thank
Hey, don't switch off your video and all now.
you. No, sir.
Correct. Oh, very nice. What, you're a Kannadiga, Deepika?
Mix, sir. Kannada
What?
and Telugu.
Oh,
Kannada and Telugu mix.
that's it. Oh, you're a mixture of Rashmika Mandana and who's that Telugu actress? Yeah, very famous. Anushka Shetty. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we'll come back to our Satvi. Now take one more name, no, Shreya? Okay, we'll take Deepika and Satvi only. Now let's take an example. Now Deepika wants to sell her gold necklace to Satvi. So she tells Satvi, I'm offering to sell you my gold necklace for 10,000 rupees. But instead of Satvi, Shreya accepts the offer. Okay, is it possible? Whom did Deepika make the offer to? Satvi. So only Satvi can accept the offer. Shreya cannot accept the
Offer.
Deepika makes an offer to Deepak makes an offer to Deepika. Deepak was there, no, yesterday, correct? You were there, no? Deepak is there or no? Hi, Deepak.
Hi, sir.
Deepak, you make an offer to Deepika. Deepika, you're really beautiful. I want to marry you. But Shreya accepts the offer. Is it possible?
No,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
No. Now you understood full clearly. Correct or no? Understand? So
Yes, sir.
only the person to whom the offer is made can accept the offer. Now the most famous case over here is Bolton versus Jones. I'm going to give you a case law. It's called, for the one was Carlyle versus Kabulik. Remember, I've told you all of y'all write down the case laws, write down the section 8, section 9. Section 9 was implied offer. Section 8 over here is general offer. Now, what is this Bolton versus Jones case? There was a person called Mr. Bolton, okay. What he did is, he purchased a tire shop. What he purchased? A
Tire shop.
tire shop in one area. And there was a person called Mr. Jones who used to buy from the tire shop every time for his tires, you know. He used to be a regular client of the tire shop, and the tire shop owner was his friend. Now, Mr. Jones did not know that his friend has sold the tire shop to Bolton. He didn't know at all. So he wrote a letter to his friend, who was the owner of the tire shop. I want to buy 4 tires for which you supplied me at this price, 3,000 rupees per tire. The letter reached Bolton. Now Bolton said, oh, this fellow doesn't know that his friend is not the owner. But anyway, he sent this order. He accepted the offer and he sent him 4 tires. What he sent him for?
Tire.
Tires. But Jones came to know that, oh, this is now my friend is no longer the owner of the tire shop. This is some other fellow who's bought the tire shop. So he refused to take the tires. What, he refused to take the
Tires.
So this Bolton got very angry. He filed a case. He said, see, he made an offer to buy 4 tires. I supplied him the tires, offer and acceptance. So he has to take the tires and he has to pay me for it. But the court held that, see, Mr. Bolton, he did not make the offer to you. He made it to his friend. What, he made it to his friend. He did not know that you have taken over the tire shop. So since the offer was made to his friend, only his friend who owns the tire shop before can accept the offer. Nobody else can accept the offer. So whenever an offer is made to a specific person, only that person can accept the offer, not anybody
else.
Understood or no? Okay. Larry, have they given any example or that case of that Bolton versus Jones or something? Or just read 1 or 2 lines of that? That special offer.
Yes, sir. Well, the offer is made to a specific or an ascertained person. It is known as a specific offer. Specific offer can be accepted only by that specified person to whom the offer has been made.
That's all. It can be made only to a specific person to whom that offer has been made. Understood?
Sir, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Who's this?
Tanushree.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, sir, suppose Bolton sent like the purchase notice that he wants 4 tires, and Jones, like, he didn't know that he's sending it to his friend. So
No,
he
this was not
accepts
Bolton. Yeah, I don't use the words. Don't confuse. Bolton is the tire, now is the new tire shop owner. Correct or no? And
Yeah, yeah.
Jones is the one who sent an offer to his friend. Let's say we'll call that friend's name X. So he sent a letter, Mr. X, please supply me the tires.
Okay.
But it went to Bolton. Bolton supplied the tires. But the offer was not made to Bolton. It was made to Mr. X. What, it was made to Mr.
X.
Understood or no?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Got it or no? I should have
Yes.
used that word. Okay.
Yeah.
So now the court held that his offer was to Mr. X. It was not to Mr. B, Mr. Bolton. So how can Mr. Bolton accept the
Offer.
offer? Understood or no?
Yeah, got it.
All of you all got it clearly? Good, you asked that out. I did a mistake by not putting a name to that fellow. I kept calling him friend. Because I thought too many names will confuse you. Correct or no? You
Yes.
call him Mr. X. Correct or no? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, special. And you read out those 2 lines, no, Larry?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Cross offer.
All of y'all are in a group, Larry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'll do, Larry, I'm going to... So all of them know your phone number, right? Because you're in the group.
They might know, I don't know.
Your names or
No,
your...
sir.
Oh, then you want to know her number?
So previous batch has
Yes, sir.
different group, present has
There are
different
2
group.
different groups.
So now
Yeah.
you're not in the present batch, huh?
No.
Okay,
No,
then
sir.
okay, afterwards when the group finalizes, then I'll call you. I'll take your number and you take my number from Subisha and call me up. Okay, don't forget this. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next point. Special or specific offer. Any case law or example, anything they've given? Quickly, nothing. Otherwise, we'll go to the third one.
Example, A offers to sell his car to B at a certain cost. This is a specific offer.
Yeah, only to be. So C cannot accept the offer, correct?
Cross offer. When 2 parties exchange identical offers in ignorance at the time of each other's offer, the offers are called cross offers. There is no binding contract in such a case because offer made by a person cannot be construed
Okay.
as
Now listen.
acceptance of the other.
We'll take that example. Now, what is this crossover? Who asked the doubt next time? Dhanashree. What was your name? Dhanashree?
Tanushree, sir, Tanushree.
Okay, now let's say Tanushree. Who's next to you? Who's your friend, Tanushree?
I don't see anyone here, sir.
Okay, but anyway, in front of you, behind you, in your, just see who's, can you see any name in this thing? We'll take an example.
A random name, sir?
Random.
Pallavi.
Okay. Now we'll take an example of Tanushree and Pallavi. Now let's say Pallavi went to Tanushri's house and they both are friends. Hi Pallavi, you're there? Okay. And Pallavi saw Tanushri's a beautiful Ganesha idol was there in Tanushri's house. And she said, what a beautiful Ganesha idol, Tanushri. Tanushri says, yeah, I don't keep these idols for a long time. Usually I buy these idols and when I get a good price, I sell them off. And then I buy another idol. What another?
Idol.
Idol. So Pallavi is thinking, should I ask her whether she'll sell it to me or no? But she's a little confused. She's thinking, leave it. I'll go home and I'll send her a message. So Pallavi goes home and she sends a WhatsApp message to Tanushri. She says, the Ganesha idol which I saw today in your house, I'm offering to purchase it for 5,000 rupees. What I'm offering to purchase it for?
5,000 rupees.
Now listen here, very, very carefully. Tanushri's Wi-Fi is not working. What Tanushri's Wi-Fi is not working. And her phone is also, that 5G also, mobile data is also turned off. There is some problem. So she wants to send a message. She's not yet got the WhatsApp message from Pallavi. So she sends a SMS. What she sends in?
SMS.
She writes, Dear Pallavi, you came to my house and you saw that Ganesha idol. I thought you liked it. As I told you, I buy and sell Ganesha idols. I am offering you to sell this idol at 5,000 rupees. Now, both of them have made offers in ignorance of each other. What in ignorance of each?
Other.
Now, after half an hour, the Wi-Fi comes on. Tanushri gets the Wi-Fi message and Pallavi also gets the message. Now, both of them have made offers. Now, see, here when two people make simultaneous offers to each other, which are identical in nature, they are called cross offer. What it is called? A cross
offer.
And as per the Indian Contract Act, since we do not know who's made the offer and who's made the acceptance, both the offers will cancel each other. Both the offers will cancel each
other.
And there will not be a contract. So now if they want to make a fresh contract, again Pallavi should send another Wi-Fi message to you. I know that you sent me a message earlier offering it, but I'm offering to buy the Ganesha idol for 5,000 rupees. And again Tanushri should say, I got your offer, I'm accepting it, and I'll sell you the idol. But the first two offers which they made to each other, since there is a confusion at who's made the offer and who's made the acceptance, they nullify each other or they cancel out each other. See, cross. One is coming like this, one is coming like this. So they cross out each other, and that is not considered. Both the offers are null and void. What both the offers are? Null and
void.
Void. So that is called a cross offer. What it is called? A
cross offer.
Cross offer. Now let's go to the
Cross
next
offer.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go to the next fourth one. Counter offer, I think.
Yes, sir. When the offeree offers to qualified acceptance of the offer subject to modifications and variations in the terms of original offer, he is said to have made a counter offer.
Okay, let
Counter
me explain.
offer.
When one person makes an offer to the other person and the other person counters or gives another offer to the offerer, modifying it or changing it, it is called a counter offer. What it is called? A
counter offer.
Yeah, choose somebody, other than the people who we have chosen. Choose some new person. Huh?
Sahiti.
Which T?
Sahiti.
Sahiti, yeah?
Sahiti.
Oh. Hi, Sahiti.
Hi, sir.
Where are you from, Sahiti?
I'm from Bangalore, sir.
Which college of Sahiti?
Transcend Group of Institutions.
Very good.
Yeah.
Where? Kanchanali, what is it called? That area? Which college? Where it is?
Elchinali.
Very good. Okay, now let's take the example of Sahiti. Okay, now Sahiti, what do you like? Do you like to buy a jeans, or do you want to buy a sari, or do you want to buy a silk kurta? What do you want to buy?
Jeans, sir.
Okay, now let's say Sahiti goes to a shop in Brigade Road and she likes one jeans over there. It's a very nice jeans. It's a denim black color jeans and she wants to buy. She has one blue color, she wants to buy black. So she goes to the shopkeeper and she tells, "Sir, very nice jeans over there. I'm offering to pay 1,000 rupees for that jean. Because the mother's given only 1,000 rupees. Understood? Now she's making an offer. Who's making the offer? Sahiti is making an offer to whom? The shopkeeper, to buy the jeans for 1,000. That shopkeeper looks at the jeans and says, "No, madam, I will sell you the jeans if you pay me 1,300 rupees. What if you pay me?"
1,300 rupees.
Had he accepted the offer, he's made another offer.
He has made another
He has
offer.
made another offer.
So that offer which the shopkeeper makes, modifying or changing the offer which Sahiti made, is called a counter offer. What it is called? A
Counter
Counter
offer.
offer.
Counter offer.
now, whenever a counter offer is made, the original offer stands cancelled and the counter offer stands valid. So now the original offer of Sahiti is 0, null and void. Now the new offer is there. Ma'am, I'm willing to sell it to you for 1,300. Now let's say Sahiti makes another offer. No, 1,300 is too much. Last I can pay you is 1,100. What I can pay you? 1,000?
100.
Now again she's making a counter offer. So the second offer of that fellow becomes null and void, and now the new counter offer is valid. What the new counter offer is?
Valid.
Now the shopkeeper says, "Okay, madam, for your sake, I'll sell it for 1,100. He packs the jeans and he gives her, and they pay the mattress at least. So when you make an offer and the other party makes another offer, modifying or changing the offer which you have made, it is called a counter offer. What it is called? A
Counter offer.
And whenever a counter offer is made, the original offer stands cancelled and the counter offer stands valid. What the counter offer stands?
Valid.
Till such time as the offer acceptance is made. What till such time the offer acceptance is made. Understood or no? All of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Standard or continue or open offer. An offer which is allowed to remain open for acceptance over a period of time is known as standard or continue or open offer. Tenders that are invited for supply of goods is a kind of standard offer.
Okay, see now, standing offer or continuing offer or open offer is an offer which is open for a specific period of time. And anybody can accept the offer till such time as the offer is open. So let me give you an example. I gave you already an example, but we'll give another example like this. So for example, there is an advertisement made by Smart Bazaar. It gives an advertisement in the paper which says that pick up any t-shirt in Smart Bazaar for only rupees 399. Only for rupees
399.
Offer valid till 15th April. What offer valid till?
15th April.
That means this offer is open till 15th April. That means from today, today's what date? 4th of it. 4th, no? Right?
Yes.
So for the next
Yes,
10
sir.
days, the offer will be valid. So if Sahiti goes, she can buy a t-shirt for 399. If Dhanush goes, he can buy a t-shirt for 399. If Skanda goes, he can buy for 399. The offer is open. But let's say on 17th, Larry goes and tells, "Give me the t-shirt for 399. Will they give it to her?
No, sir.
Because the offer was open
sir.
only for a limited period of time. The offer continued till
Time.
15th. Understand? No?
Yes,
Understood?
sir. Yes, sir.
They have given you an example of tender. What is a tender? When a person invites other people to offer till a specific period of time, it is called a tender. So, I'll give you an example. So now let's say Larry has a beautiful jewelry. Let's say she has a diamond ring, and she wants to sell it. So she puts an advertisement in the paper. She's saying that, please, this is a diamond ring from the Maharaja of Mysore, which I've inherited from my grandmother. I've put a picture here. Please give me your tender for the best price you can offer for this diamond ring. I'm accepting offers till 30th of April. What am I accepting offers till 30th of
April.
So anybody can make an offer. So I'll offer to buy the diamond ring for 25,000. Skanda will say I'm offering it for 30,000. Let's say Bhuvita will say I'm offering it for 35,000. Avni will say I'm offering it for 40. Avnish will say 45. She's inviting people to offer, and the offer will be valid till 30th. Then she will see whichever is the person who's offering her the highest price, she will accept that and she will. But the offer is open till 30th April. What the offer is open till?
30th April.
So all of us can offer her, and these continuous offers can be made to her till 30th April. So any offer which is valid for a continuous period of time, but after 30th April, somebody sends her an offer, she will not look at it. What she'll not
Look at it.
look at it, because the offer was open only till that particular point of
Time.
Understand? That is
Time.
called a standing offer or a continuing offer or a whatever. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Essentials of a valid offer.
Now understand this, just like you have essentials for a valid contract, you also have essentials for a valid offer. Or you also have
Offer.
Oh, correct or no? Yes. Let's go through them one by
one.
It must be capable of creating legal relations. Offer must be such as a law is capable of being accepted and giving rise to legal relationship. If the offer does not intend to give rise to legal consequences and create a legal relations, it is not considered as a valid offer in
Okay,
the
now
eye of
this is the same thing which I did with you when I did essentials of a valid contract. There must be an intention to create legal relationship. Remember, I gave you two cases, Balfour versus Balfour and Dalai Haldar versus Sheikh Mohammed. Does anybody remember?
Yes, sir.
Oh God. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll just get something from my mother and then I'll come back. Just give me 2 minutes. Just give me. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, okay. This thing is very look, I got a shock. Wait. Let's come to the point. Now, I did those cases with you, Dalai Haldar versus Sheikh Mohammed and Balfour versus Balfour. See, both the offers which were not made with an intention to create legal relationship. When Mrs. Balfour made an offer to Mr. Balfour, please send me 30 pounds. It wasn't with an intention that if he doesn't pay the money, I will take him to court. Dalai Haldar, when he made an offer, please Sheikh Mohammed, come to my house as a party. It wasn't made with an intention to create a legal relationship. So any offer, unless it is made with an intention to create legal relationship, it does not become a valid offer. And if it's not a valid offer, it's not a valid contract. What? It's not a valid contract. I have already done this with you. All of you will remember those two cases. I hope you remember, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second point.
It must be certain, definite, and not vague. If the terms of an offer are vague or indefinite, its acceptance cannot create any contractual relationship.
I already told you this also. It should not
Yes,
be.
of course.
Who's that lady?
Don't know, sir.
Just see if any name in the list is Oppo or Vivo or Redmi or some phone number, then throw them out of class, no, please. Shreya, just look through the names.
No, sir, there are no such names.
Because usually these people, they come into these classes because these are open classes, no? Then they come and they tell all bad words and they... In Divyashri man too, they put on one video and all dirty video and all that, you know. You were there, Larry, the previous batch or the batch before that? When did they do it?
Not the previous batch, sir.
One before that. Okay, let's come to the point. If you see anybody unmuting or unnecessarily creating confusion in the class, just remove them from the meeting. Shreya, you keep an eye. Make her the co-host also, right, Larry? I'm the host. You're the host, and I'm the co-host, right?
Yes, sir. And Prapti is the co-host.
Hi, Prapti.
Hello, sir.
You keep an eye, okay? If you see unmuting unnecessarily, no?
Yes,
Just remove them from the class, okay, Prapti?
okay, sir.
The offer must be certain, it should not be vague. Remember, I did one example with you, Taylor versus Portington. He said, I'm offering to buy you this house if it is decorated as per the current style, renovated as per the current style. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I told you that offer was vague. And I said, if somebody is offering to buy oil, if you're not mentioning which oil, whether it's groundnut oil or sunflower oil or olive oil, it is not a valid offer because it's uncertain or vague. I want to give you 2 or 3 more case studies over here. I'll give you 2 case studies because they come quite regularly. One is Guthying versus Lin, Guthying versus Lynn. What happened? There was a person called Guthying who sold a horse to Lin. What he sold a horse to? Lin. And Mr. Lin said, if this horse proves lucky, I will pay you 5,000 rupees more. What I'll pay you? 5,000 rupees? Now I'm paying you 1 lakh rupees. I'll pay you 1,05,000. If the horse proves lucky. The next day, that horse won the horse racing. You'll know, no, there's something called as this derby, that horse racing, no, that race course. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that horse proved lucky. It won the first place, and this Lin got some good jackpot amount. So Guthying went to Lin and said, you told me the horse proves lucky, you'll give me 5,000 rupees more. Give me 5,000 rupees more. Lin said, I'll not give you in 1 paisa more. So Guthying went to court. Who will win the case?
Lin.
Why?
Because he said lucky and we don't know what's lucky for.
Very good. Who's the smart boy? What's your name?
Rajit.
Huh?
Rajit Bhai.
Very good.
Rajit Bhai.
Rajit, you came last for the last.
Yes, sir.
That's why you're so intelligent. You put on your video?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Lady,
Yes, sir.
spotlight him, no, so that he can smile to everybody. You can wave out to somebody if you want, Rajit.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Prajit. Nice name, no? Like, remember, you used to call Pranav Pai, your Prajit, Pranav Pai's brother, huh? Cousin brother.
No, sir. No.
Both of y'all are PP. He's also PP, Pranav Pai, your Prajit Pai. What do they call you in your house? PP, yeah?
No, sir. Prajit only.
Prajit, huh? If you visit like girls, they'll call you Cheapy. See? Correct, no? What, Larry? Cheapy PP. Not Cheapy. Prajit Pai, nice name only. Leave, I'm playing the fool. Okay. So, very good. So, what is lucky cannot be defined. What is lucky cannot be? For you,
Defined.
winning the horse race once and is lucky. But for somebody else, winning the horse race 5 times is lucky. Can lucky be defined? No. So the court held that the offer was very vague, that you'll pay 5,000 rupees if the horse proves lucky. What is lucky cannot be?
Defined.
The second case which I want to do with you, which is also very prominent and which is very famous, is Loftus versus Roberts. What it is, Loftus versus?
Robert.
What happened in this case? That there was this lady called Mrs. Roberts, who was an actress. And the theater producer and director was one person called Mr. Loftus. You know, theater, no? They'll go and they'll perform these plays across India. Anybody's gone to watch a play?
Yes.
Ranga Shankara and all that, correct? Not like a movie where they actually act in front of you. In your school and all, they might have done some plays and all, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this Loftus told Mrs. Roberts, I'll pay you, let's say, 10,000 rupees per performance. You come with me for the tour. And for the performance in London, there was one performance in London. We will decide about the payment later. What we'll decide about the payment?
Later.
Later. Because in other small cities, I'll pay you 10,000. Might be in London, I'll pay you higher, or what I'll do, I don't know. Miss Roberts went, but for the London performance, she didn't turn up. What she didn't?
Turn up.
Turn up. So Loftus filed a case. See, sir, we made an offer document. See this document, contractual document. It said that you will perform at rupees 10,000 per show for all the cities, and for the performance at London, the amount will be agreed at a later point of time. The court held that it was a very vague or uncertain offer. Any offer to decide on an offer later is not a valid offer. You might pay her 1 rupee also. You might pay her 2 rupees also. How does she know that you're going to pay her? So since the offer was very vague, you did not decide the specified amount you'll pay her. So this cannot be a valid contract. What? It cannot be a valid
contract.
There was a case study which had come some months back, some years back in the CA Foundation paper. There was a man called Ajit. He went to, his car was not working. His car was not functioning properly. So he went to a mechanic and he said, I will pay you 5,000 rupees if you do the necessary repairs. What if you do the necessary
repairs?
Afterwards, that mechanic did some repairs, but Ajit was not happy and he filed a case. The court held that the contract was null and void because what is necessary repairs, it doesn't know. Is necessary repairs changing the engine oil? Is necessary repairs changing the spark plug? Is necessary repairs putting new steering wheel? What is necessary repairs? You didn't mention what are the necessary repairs, correct or no? So if it is vague or uncertain, it cannot be a valid offer. So remember these two cases, Guthin versus Lin and Loftus versus yeah. Go to the next one.
It must be communicated to the offeree. An offer to be complete must be communicated to the person to whom it is made. Otherwise, there can be no acceptance of it. Unless an offer is communicated, there can be no acceptance by it.
Okay,
An
go.
acceptance
Wait.
of an
I'll give
offer.
you. Now, the third point is an offer must be communicated. Unless the offer is communicated to the person to whom the offer is made, it cannot be accepted and therefore it is not a valid contract. What it's not a valid?
Contract.
I'm going to give you a very important case. It's called Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt. What it is called? Lalman Shukla versus
Gauri Dutt.
Gauri Dutt. Correct or no? There's a girl called Gauri, no, in your class? Gauri or Gautami? Gauri is not there, no? in your class? Is there any girl called Gauri?
No, sir.
No Gauri, yeah?
No, sir.
And who? With G, who are the name? Gautami, yeah?
Sir, Geetika.
Geetika. Okay, let me tell you the story first and let me tell you the case first and then. There was this very rich man called Gauri Dutt. What his name was? Gauri Dutt. Okay. And he had invited his small nephew, who was around 10 years old, to his house to spend the vacation. Now, summer vacation has come, right? Correct? So, his sister's son had come to visit him. So, Gauri Dutt was very happy. My sister's son has come to me and visit me, and he used to take him out for different places for breakfast and all that. One day, there was an exhibition, come fair. You know, exhibition come fair, we merry-go-round. What is that? This giant wheel. Correct, no? There'll be
Yes.
so many shawls, cotton candy. And there was a lot of rush. But there was a lot of rush in that fair. Fair. What is it called? Fair only, no? FAIR, no? What is it called?
Yes. Fair.
Carnival. Fair.
Fair of
Fair and exhibition. And this fellow got lost. Who got lost? His nephew got
Lost.
this Lalman Shukla was very, means Gauri Dutt was very worried. He came back home. He tried to search. He made announcement also in that exhibition, but he couldn't find. Thousands of people are there. So he came back home and he told his servant. His servant's name was Lalman Shukla. What his servant's name was?
Lalman Shukla.
He told Lalman Shukla, please go to that exhibition immediately and search for my nephew. What search for my?
Nephew.
As soon as Lalman Shukla went, this Gauri Dutt called up the editor of a magazine, of a newspaper, who usually that person was, he releases an afternoon edition of the newspaper, the midday. You know, there are newspapers which come out in the middle of the day also, not always in the morning. Decadal time, there is something called midday. What it is called? Midday. So he rang him up immediately and he told him, see, my nephew is lost. Immediately, I'm sending you his photo. Put an offer in the newspaper stating that whoever finds my nephew will get a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. What will get a cash prize of? Actually, it's 501. I'm just changing it to 50,000 because in those days, no, olden days. And we'll get a cash prize of 501 or 50,000 rupees. We'll keep it today's price. So immediately midday put an order in. Mr. Gauri Dutt's nephew has been lost. This is his photograph. Whoever finds him will get a cash prize of 50,000.
50,000.
Now what happened? The newspaper came out by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This Lalman Shukla anyway had gone at 11:30, 12. He found the nephew and he came back. What? He found the nephew and
He came back.
and all the other servants told him, lucky boy, you'll get 50,000 rupees. What you'll get?
50,000 rupees.
Lalman Shukla told, how I'll get 50,000? Don't see the newspaper. What is it written? Whoever finds the nephew will get general offer. What? It is a general
offer.
Immediately, Lalman Shukla went to his boss. See, take your nephew, give me 50,000 rupees. Gauri Dutt turned around and he gave him a kick on his backside. Get out. I will not give you even 1 paisa. What? I will not give you even 1?
Paisa.
Lalman Shukla, the servant, filed a case against his master Gauri Dutt. Who will win the case? Those who are in the previous batch, people, please don't answer. Only those who are in the current batch. How many people are there in the class now? Larry, just count. How many are there? What's the number?
72.
71.
Huh?
71.
71.
Oh, how many classes you all had today? Only this class, or there was one class before also?
There was one class before, sir. Shetty sir.
Shetty sir, that's all. And after this also you have? Huh? No.
No, sir.
And tomorrow you have morning classes, huh?
Sir, tomorrow holiday. No class.
Holiday.
Very good. Easter, huh? What is that tomorrow?
Don't know, sir.
Who will win the case? Who will win the case? Anybody wants to answer from the current match? Then I'll choose somebody. You want to raise your hand and try?
Sir, Nikhil has raised his hand.
Nikhil, you can try. Nikhil, tell me.
Sir, I have actually a doubt about crossover, sir.
Okay. Let me finish this case and then you tell me the doubt. Okay. Let me
Okay,
finish
sir.
this answer for this and correct or no? Nikhil, your wedding is happening. You are going around the fire. At that time, you'll ask, I have a doubt with your wife about your engagement. Chumma. What she will do, no? She'll remove that ring and she'll put it in your mouth. I don't know where she'll put it. She'll put it in some part of your body. Correct or no? You should ask at that time only. What, Larry? Don't worry. Let's finish this case and I'm definitely clearing it out. Don't worry at all.
Okay,
Anybody
sir.
wants to, you want to answer this question? Who will win the case? You
Madan has
understood the
raised
case?
his hand.
Huh?
Madan has raised his hand.
Hi, Madan.
Sir, Gauri Dutt will win the case because Lalman Shukla did not know the offer made by
Very
Gauri.
good. What a clever boy. You are coming for the first time or you came last
Sir,
batch?
no, sir, first time.
Very good. I like you. Very good. What are you doing, Madan? You are in which class? College?
Sir, 12th completed, waiting for results.
Where? Which? SSC, CBSE or what you did?
No, state boards,
Where?
Shimoga.
Very good. Very clever boy. I'm very happy. Exactly. The offer was not communicated. Did Lalman Shukla know about the offer when he went to find for the nephew? No. After that, the offer came in the newspaper and he had already accepted the offer before the offer was communicated. So the offer was not communicated itself. So the court said, how can you accept the offer before it is communicated? So you will not get the 50,000 rupees because the offer was not communicated to you. What it was not?
Communicated.
Same case was Fitch versus Snedeker, FITCH versus SNEDEKR, where this person lost his dog. Who lost his dog? Snedeker lost his dog. And he put an advertisement in the newspaper that whoever finds my dog will get 10,000 rupees. His neighbor Fitch did not know about the advertisement, but he went to the park and he found his dog and he came back. And afterwards, they told him, why don't you ask him 10,000 rupees? So Fitch charged Snedeker. Snedeker didn't give the money. The court held that Fitch, you went to the park. You did not know he had lost his dog. You found the dog and you brought it. But did you know that he's going to give you a prize money for the dog? No. So therefore, the offer must be communicated. Unless the offeree knows about the offer, it cannot be a valid offer. Understood or no?
So can you repeat the name of this case study?
Who's asking this?
Tanushree.
Fitch. FITCH
Okay.
versus Snedeker, I think so. Snedeker. You just search in the Google, it will give you the correct spelling because my spelling is very bad. Just search, write down, what is that? Put the Fitch versus Snedeker case study and they'll give you the correct. Google will autocorrect and it will tell you. Understand?
Yeah, I got it, sir.
What is the case? What's the spelling?
1 minute, sir.
Answer fast. Then Nikhil is waiting. Full crossover is doing for me.
Snedaker.
Snedaker. Snedeker. Okay. Very good. I put I put A instead of E. Who's this clever fellow? Rajit Pai.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Nikhil, can you please ask your doubt? Crossover.
Sir, actually, I didn't understand what about the crossover, sir.
See, what are you wearing a watch, Nikhil? Are you wearing a watch?
Sir.
Okay. Now you tell me you want to sell that watch. So you tell me, sir. You don't tell me. You send me an email. What you send me an email? I am willing to sell my watch to you for 1,000 rupees. Dear sir, I am offering to sell you my watch for 1,000 rupees. I have not opened my email, but I send you an WhatsApp message stating that Nikhil, I saw your watch the other day. I want to purchase it for 1,000 rupees. Now you made me an offer. I also made you an offer, right? But both of us don't know that each other has made another. You have not opened your WhatsApp messages. I have not opened my email. Both of us have made simultaneous offers to each.
No, sir.
Huh? Understood? That is called a cross offer. What it is called a
Crossover.
Since nobody has made the acceptance, I made offer, you made offer, but who's accepted? Nobody's accepted the offer, right? And we do not know which is the correct offer. So both the offers are cancelling each other. That's why it is called a cross offer. None of the offer is valid. What none of the offer is? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt you ask of? Don't worry. Any other doubt you have?
No, sir. Nothing, sir.
Nothing, huh? You're a new batch or old batch?
New batch, sir.
Very good. What are you doing? Second PUC, first PUC? Your 12th
This is my
or?
first class. This was my first class.
Yeah, correct. Okay. What you should also do is, Nikhil, go to the, have the videos are there for the previous classes, Larry, or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, but I
It's
just
there.
Yeah.
it is available on YouTube. I've just
Yeah, just what I'm telling you is, you just see those previous videos. I'm not telling you that you won't understand, but you will get more clarity in your understanding when you see the previous videos. You'll understand what is law, or you'll understand what is contract. Correct or no? You'll understand it much. You don't have to see anything because anyway, YouTube is in your hand only. No, so whichever part you want to forward off, you forward off. Which you think is not necessary. If you think that you understood the concept, forward it off. Whichever ones you think you are not understanding, take your textbook or download the PDF of the first chapter. Have you sent the first chapter PDF in the group?
Yes, sir.
So she sent that unit in your group. You just see it and download it and keep looking at it.
So I'm not getting you.
She sent a PDF of the first chapter in the group. Okay. Are you getting me?
No, sir, I'm not getting you.
Okay. You don't get me. Doesn't matter. You understood now. No crossover.
issues.
Crossover you got. No, that's all right.
Sir.
Okay. That's
Yes.
all. That's all. Enough. More than enough. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Tell me,
Sir,
who's this?
so even, sir,
What's her name?
Sir Padmalata.
Ah.
Sir, so even bargaining is also considered as cross offer.
No, counter offer. Remember, I gave you the example, bargaining. I made that. Who's that? Somebody's example we took. No, she went and she asked for Tanushri, right?
Yes,
No,
sir.
who? Tanushri went to 1,000 rupees and the 1,003 and
No,
offer for
I guess
1,000,
it's Lahari, I guess.
whatever it is. So Padmalata, when you make a bargaining, suppose you go to a shop and you ask him how much is this, you want to buy a leather bag. So he says, Madam, I'm offering this bag for 2,000 rupees. You says, no, I'll buy it for 1,500. It's bargaining. So when he makes an offer and you make another offer, it is called a counter offer. What it is called a?
Okay, sir.
So the first offer is not null and void. The second offer is valid. What the second offer is? Valid. Understood?
Valid.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Who's this?
Madan.
Tell me.
So when the crossover is made between two persons,
Mm-hmm.
that A person wants to sell his watch worth rupees 1,200 to
And the other
B.
one wants to buy.
Wants to buy it
A
for
wants.
1,000.
Yeah, same, identical offer.
Now, when he asks A for 1,000, he says, I will give it for 1,200. Will it become counter offer?
Counter offer. Correct. It will become a?
Yes. Thanks.
Become counter offer.
Counter offer.
So when one person makes an offer, another makes another bargaining offer, it is called counter offer. When two people make simultaneous offers to each other, it is called as cross offer. What it is called as? Cross
Offer.
offer. All of you are getting it clearly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next topic. Next point, Larry.
It
Larry,
must be made with a
Hmm.
It must be made with a view to obtaining the assent of the other party. Offer must be made with a view to obtaining the assent of the other party addressed and not merely with a view to disclosing the intention of making an offer.
Okay, just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'll come. Okay. Am I audible and visible?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible? Yeah. Hmm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
An offer must be made with an intention to get an assent of the other. Just read that heading again.
It must be made with a view to obtaining the assent of the other party.
So whenever you're making an offer, the offer should be a serious offer with a view of getting the acceptance of the other. Assent means acceptance of the other party. If it is made jokingly, or if it is made without any intention of getting the acceptance of the other party, it is not considered valid offer. Larry could tell Shreya, hey Shreya, you want to buy my house for 10 rupees? Is she making a valid offer?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Jokingly, Larry's house is 1 crore rupees. How will she sell it for? Now, there's a very famous court case. I don't know whether to do it. I'll do it. It's called Weeks versus Tybalt. What it is called? Weeks versus
Diebold.
WEEKS versus Tybalt. Tanushri, you're attending it for the second time, no? This thing you were attended the
Yes,
previous
sir. Yes, sir.
Weeks versus Tybalt. TYBALD. What happened in this case of Weeks versus Tybalt was there was this person called Tybalt who was a very good card player. You know, cards, and there is one game of cards called Bridge. What it's called?
Bridge.
Who plays cards? Anybody
Bridge.
knows? Rummy, Bridge. Bridge is not like very much depending on luck. It depends on your brains also. It's a very skillful game. In fact, you must know that Bridge is the card game which is also in the Asian games. What it's also in the
Asian Games.
I don't know. I don't know how to play it, but I've heard it's a very you have to use your brains and all that. Correct or no? Anybody knows cards? Larry, you played cards anytime in your life?
No, sir.
Not in once. With your friends and then if you're gone by train, if you've gone to kill pastime and all. Who knows how to play some card games, rummy and all? Nobody knows. Nobody's raised their hands.
We know, sir.
Okay. You've seen cards at least, no? Correct? Okay. A, B, A,
Yes,
2,
sir.
3, 4, Jack, Queen, King. So he was a very good player of, let's forget it. He was a very good player of cards and he was an expert in playing a game called Bridge. What he was an expert of in a game called
Bridge.
And he used to go to one club. You know, there's one club near his house. And he used to win and he used to win all the time. One day in front of everybody, he said, nobody can beat me in bridge. If anybody can beat me in bridge, I'll get my daughter married to him. But I'll get my daughter
Married to him.
in that crowd. There was one young boy. His name was Deepak Weeks. What his name was? Deepak Weeks. Weeks. Deepak Weeks. Whatever. I'm just adding Deepak Chuma. His name was Weeks. Deepak. Let's call him Deepak. He said, my God, let's do some inquiry and find out who's this Tybalt's daughter. Who's this Tybalt's
Daughter.
So he did inquiry and he found out this Tybalt had a very beautiful daughter called Deepika. What called?
Deepika.
Aha. So this Deepak started learning how to play bridge. He went for full training. He practiced day and night. But actually, Deepika had one more boyfriend. What? She had one more?
Boyfriend.
What a story, And true story this is. I'm not joking, okay? This is true. See how law is so much with love. Correct or no?
Yes,
And
sir.
this fellow, he learnt. And then one day he came to the club and he said, can you play bridge with me? So he played with whom? Deepika's father. What's her name?
Tybalt.
Tybalt. And who won? Deepak won. Weeks. And he got so happy. Now you have to get your daughter married to me. What you have to get your daughter married to?
Me.
Deepika came to know about it. Deepika said, no. Impossible. I love somebody else. What I love somebody?
Yes.
Tybalt said, no, I cannot get my daughter married to you. So Weeks filed a case against Tybalt. What Weeks filed a case against?
Tybalt.
the court had to answer the question KBD. Kaun banega Deepika Pati? What? You have heard of KBC, no?
Yes, sir.
This is one step
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
KBD.
Yes, sir.
KBD. Kaun banega Deepika Pati? Deepika, I keep playing the fool. Don't feel bad and all, no?
No, sir. No, sir.
You're so beautiful. What to do? Everybody's behind you only.
No, sir.
KBD. Who do you think will win the case? Will you marry your boyfriend or will you marry Weeks?
I'll marry my boyfriend.
Why? On what ground? You have to give the.
Because I did not agree for this, no?
But suppose your father had. What else was there? Give me the actual reason. See, when that Tybalt made the offer, was it made jokingly or was it made seriously? It was made jokingly. It was not made with a view that somebody will accept the
Offer.
offer. So it was a very. It was not made with a view that somebody should accept the offer. So the court held that this was not a serious offer. It was just a casual offer. It was just a casual offer. So Weeks, you cannot.
Offer.
Correct. Oh, sorry, Deepak. Correct or no? So that is the story of Weeks versus Tybalt. Go to the next point quickly. Padmalata, you understood Padmalata?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from, Padmalata?
Sir, Bangalore.
Where in Bengaluru? Which college?
Sir, Kumarans.
Very good. First PUC, eh? Or second
Yes,
PUC?
sir, I completed my first course. No, I completed my first course.
Very good. Clever girl. Okay, we'll go to somebody else. All clever students in this batch. Go to the next one.
It may be conditional. An offer can be made subject to any terms and conditions by the offerer.
Okay, now see here. An offer can be conditional. What do you mean by an offer can be conditional? I'll give you an example. Let's say Tanushree wants to sell her gold necklace. She goes to Bhuvita. Bhuvita, you're there or she's not there? Last time we asked about you, you didn't say yes or no. Is she
Sir,
there?
I'm there.
What,
there.
Bhuvita? You didn't answer last time. Where have you gone?
Sir, I think I answered.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now Tanushree comes to you and she says, Bhuvita, I'm offering to sell you my gold necklace, but the condition is you have to pay me cash. You cannot pay me through UPI, check or bank transfer. If you're paying me hard cash, 500 rupees notes, only then I will sell you the gold necklace for 10,000 rupees. Now this is a conditional offer, but it's a valid offer. So an offer can be conditional. Or for example, Tanushree might tell Bhuvita, I will sell you my gold necklace for 10,000, provided you also buy my gold earrings for 5,000. What, you also buy my gold earrings for?
5,000.
Bhuvita says, no, I will buy only your gold necklace. Then Tanushree says, then sorry, I'll sell it to somebody else. So any offer can be conditional. What it can be? Conditional. Correct or no? So remember that when an offer is made, they can put a condition to the offer. What they can put a condition to the
Offer.
You know, there is one, I don't know, what is it called? There's one pizza outlet in Bangalore. It's called Honesta. Okay. So what this Honesta does is it gives you an offer. It says that offer is, we will give you the pizza at 70% off, provided it is your birthday that day. So if you show your valid ID card, Aadhaar card, or whatever other ID, your driving license or something, if it's your birthday, no, they put a condition. But suppose you go and ask for 70% off, will they give you? No.
No.
They have given you, put a conditional offer. What is a put a conditional
Offer.
offer? So whenever they put a conditional offer, if you're celebrating a birthday, we'll give you 50% off or 70%. It's a conditional. It's a valid offer. What is a valid
offer?
Offer. Understood? So those offers made with a condition is called as a. Next one, Larry.
Sir, Madan has raised his hand.
Madan, please tell me your question.
Sir, I have heard a live example about this condition, but it may be joking. Can I say?
Please, please, please. To whom you are making the offer?
No, sir, I did not make. I have
Ah.
heard about it.
Tell. Quickly tell.
In a house, they are planning to marry their daughter.
Ah.
Their condition is a boy who has to marry their daughter.
Ah.
They has to purchase their own land. In that money, they will do their marriage with grinding. This is their condition.
Okay. That means, suppose that boy purchases the land, only then he can marry the
girl.
Correct. It's correct offer. I've also heard like this. There's a girl, I am telling you this is serious. I'm not joking. There's a girl called Roshni Jain. She's a very beautiful looking girl and very talented girl. She did her MBA from NSU Singapore. Good looking, smart. She's got a job in ENY. She's earning some 1.5 lakhs per month. She told an offer that if any boy wants to marry me, he has to buy me a flat in some apartment. He has to gift me a flat, plus he has to gift me a car, which is not less than 25 lakh rupees. And that's a conditional offer. And she got a boy. That boy gifted her a flat for some 2 crore rupees, and he bought an Audi car for 60 lakh rupees for her. Means many boys offered. She interviewed them, and then she decided whom to marry. Really, I'm telling you, this is true. This is true case. She was so smart and she's very well educated. No, so many nowadays girls have also started demanding dowry. You know that, Madan?
Sir.
So suppose tomorrow you want to marry one CA, Larry becomes CA. She'll say, Madan, unless you gift me one land, I will not marry you. A conditional offer. What it is?
Conditional offer.
So you have to be very careful. Now only you start earning money, okay?
Yes,
Otherwise, getting girl is very difficult. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll talk about it in the next class. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. We'll continue in the next class. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.